Good morning, Tradeify Nation. Welcome back to another London session stream. I hope everyone's doing amazing. Hope you guys have already crushed it on the charts if you've already been trading, or if you haven't. W for you who have those who have been sitting there playing your system, playing the patience game, as we did yesterday. For most of us, didn't get a trade in, but let's hope today's not like that. Let's hope it's a clean London session. We can get some trades in, get some wins in, make that money, and then chill for the rest of the day. I haven't seen who's in the chat yet. I will get there to say good morning, but I hope everyone's got their white tee on for white tea freaking Wednesday. And if it's a white tea, it better be a Tradeify tea. But no, I will. Let's just say quick good morning, because Frankfurt has just officially opened, guys. And we're about to get into this market and hopefully make a bag. That sounds good. All right. Heinsteck, good morning. You have been there every single day, Heinsteck. Number one comment of the day. So I've got to give you that, although I hate your username. 1D, good morning. Henry, good morning. Alex, guys, by the way, remember to drop a good morning in the chat. Then I can quickly shout you out. Good morning, Alex. Good morning, Seattle. Southern Boy. Wick Sweep is here. Force Effort. Good morning, Brandon. Good morning, Andre. Good morning. Amos, Lawrence, Nord, Angia, the OGs, Rohan, Lucifer, Radis, Robot, Wags. I see you all in here nice and early, right on time. Caustic, Rabin, Amir, good morning. Balaji, good morning. Jerry, Bench Boss, Oliver, Momo, Futures Ascend, Loza, what is going on? All right, guys, I hope everyone's ready. I mean, look, we do have FOMC data being released today at 2 p.m. So FOMC days are not my favorite to trade prior to the New York session, just because we can sometimes just chop around and not really know where we're going to go. But let's get straight into it, because as usual, we are just going to do our analysis here on NQ. And regardless of the news coming out later today, we're going to play the London session as we normally would. If let price come to us, like, I'm not going to try to force anything or just tell myself that it's going to be a chop session and not look for setups, because we still could get a clean trade in here. But let's just have a look what's happened so far since we were last together. So yesterday's daily candle ended up being a bearish candle closure. Now, to all of our surprise, well, to mine anyway, didn't expect to see a bearish close on the daily chart, but here we are. Nasdaq just shorted off yesterday, pretty much sold off from that London range chop we were in, and then we basically broke down for the rest of the day. After that, New York did create a bit of a pullback, but all in all, it was a bearish daily candle close. So if that gives us any indication, we could potentially be seeing a little bit of a pullback. I mean, maybe investors are just realizing some of their profits. I mean, it has been quite the bullish run here on NQ. So potentially this is just a natural bearish pullback we'd expect to see. But also, it's not, when you zoom out and things, that one daily bearish candle close doesn't really do much in terms of bias. We are still very strongly bullish. The all-time highs are only sitting up just over there at 27,542.50, so only 200 points away, not so far from the current price at the moment. So I mean, this doesn't do much for me in terms of shift my bias completely to bears, just because we've seen a bearish candle close on the daily. So unless, what I've always said is, unless we get a clean close below a swing low on the daily, I just see this as potentially printing a new higher low. So what we've got so far on the daily is these, I think it's easier to do this. So we've got this low that printed from last Thursday, and then we continue to break highs here, and then we've got this potential low that will form if today's candle closes above this low. So that would form a new swing low, a higher low on the daily, and that would just be in line with bullish market structure anyway. So this is why I'm not switching up and thinking we're just going to see a market dump now. I am sticking to believing that this is still a bullish market we're in. Although we do have news and everything coming out today, earnings that could definitely just do something ridiculous in the markets here. But that is what I'm seeing at the moment prior to the news. Now, based on the 4-hour chart right now, we are reacting inside of a 4-hour bearish gap. So for my system right now, I am very much bearish. You guys can see the indicator has just ticked over bearish in the corner here, because we have swept out previous 4-hour high. Now, A plus shorts could play out for me today because we are also tapping into a 4-hour bearish gap. So for me, that is A plus when we are tapping into a high time frame FVG aligned with the sweep of the previous 4-hour high. This is clean for me to short out of. And then targets to the downside, honestly, is previous day low, sitting at 27,009.50. So not quite that 27,000 psychological level, but just about. So, I mean, that is a major, like, huge target. I don't think if I was in short today, I'm not going to be holding just because we do have the news coming out later today. So I'm not expecting a huge move in the London session. But I mean, we've also got previous 4-hour low sitting there at 27,242.25, which is definitely a closer target there. And then daily open, which is sitting at 27,192, 197.25 today. So those daily open and previous 4-hour low are closer targets that I probably would be eyeing up today. And then obviously that previous day low, but I'm not too sure we're going to see such a big London session into those levels, just given that we are probably all just awaiting that FOMC data release. But beyond that, I will just label this as the 4-hour gap so we remember what the hell that gray box is. That's that there. Asia overnight, what did we have? Not the biggest range, sort of like an up and down, 102-point range for the Asia session. So nothing crazy. Just looks like we had a bit of a pullback here in Asia, and then this continued expansion from this this price leg from that's yesterday's New York. So yeah, that is what I'm looking at. Potentially taking shorts in the session today, guys. But as usual, I will not be forcing anything. You know, I just want to let price do its thing. And then if I do get a setup, I will not hesitate. I will be taking shorts if I get there. Also sitting on this 50K eval that I'm about to pass. I need a few more. I think it's like $700, so a bit more. But potentially going for the pass today. If we get a clean setup, I will take it and hopefully pass that one. But let's see. What are you guys thinking? Who is with me with the shorts today? Or are you guys still playing the all-time highs? You guys just want a long? I mean, it didn't look so good yesterday for the longs, but doesn't mean today can't work out. Good morning, BM Wills. Good morning, Tim Trades. Good morning, Maurice. Split striker, Hasteling breaker, previous 4-hour high. Ready for Celine short? Hell yeah, you guys are. I love that you guys already know that I'm looking at shorts as soon as that previous 4-hour high swept. Right now, though, we also have an alignment with the previous 15-minute high. That is why I like it even more. And this gray box is the previous, not the previous, sorry. This gray box is the 4-hour bearish gap, so making it even nicer for my setup. We also have had a sweep of Asia high up here. So my Asia high, Asia kill zone high, is sitting at 27,294. So that level's already been swept for me. So right now, waiting for a short, and we'll see if we can get it. Looks we're going to short. Alex shorts. Jerry shorts. Alex, let's sell. All right, I'm on side with the chat today. Feeling good, or am I? Watching this 1-minute FVG as a potential area. If we do invert, that's where I would take my entry. Nice reaction so far to that 4-hour high. Also, 4-hour candle currently has little to no bottom wick, so we like that because I trade a reversal sort of PO3 sort of AMD model, so I want to be in the distribution of the 4-hour, and when it aligns with the 15-minute, it's very nice. So let's see. Ooh, potentially we are getting the inversion. Fractal long forever yesterday was a test of faith. Yeah, who else was holding those longs yesterday? Okay, just need to get set up here in case there is an inversion there. We'll take that. It always feels funny taking a trade before London opens, but sometimes it's clean. The risk won't be too much. Risk is around. Okay, we didn't get that. Oh, are we getting that close? Okay, we got the close. So I'm in that short. Let's see how it put stops a little bit above the high here, risking 16 points. Let's say 27,318.50 will be the stop. 318.50 around there, and then targeting I'm only in one contract here. 27,286.50. Let's see what we get. 286.50. Let's just see. I mean, first trade of the day, I'm just going to go for a 1-to-1 on this. Target is 16 points. It won't pass the account. Might have to... Should we add another chat? I think we're going to add another one. All right. I just took 2. I added another because I do want to go for the full try pass the account in this one trade. So we're going to have a buy limit yes at the 1-to-1 and then a lower target. Let's say at this low. Buy 1 limit there. And then we're going to have 2. Bear with me while I do these orders. 317. 317. Around here. Okay, cool. Orders are in place. Now we can go back to the chat. We can chill out. Definitely due for some pullback from all-time highs. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely looking like it. Definitely looking like investors are just trying to, you know, casually take their profits from riding these longs for so long. And yeah, we'll see. We will see what the market wants to give us. I did the reasons I told you because we are in a 4-hour bearish gap when it plays out. It just tends to play out a bit cleaner when we are reacting in a high time frame gap. No, Raf, do not trade the DAX. Drops trade says it will dump to VWAP. Okay, interesting. Let's have a look where VWAP is. Okay, VWAP down there. Let's see, guys. We could be totally wrong. I could be totally wrong. Not we, because this was my trade idea. I don't expect you guys to copy or anything, but this was my trade idea, and I still could be totally wrong. Accept the risk. I am on an eval, 50k eval, and I'm literally just trying to pass this one trade. The rest of it anyway. $300 that's left to go, but yeah. No, Raf, don't trade. I just saw your question again. Wesley says, I have the exact same trade using a completely different strategy. Well, there you go. I like when our strategies align, chat. It does make me feel better. I mean, we all do see the charts differently, but I think when VWAP traders, breakout traders, ICT traders, we all see the same and the same sort of direction. I mean, it's what it feels good. Hey, Vietnam Shell Shocked. Morning. How are you? Lucifer is short. All right. We got a few of you in here short. Let's go. Morning, kids. Sorry I missed your comment. How are you? Donald says short to day low. Day low? Current day low or previous day low? Current day low. Let's get that level up. Current day low is... Where is current days low? Okay, that's previous day low. Where is my current day low? Strange. Well, we can just get that level from literally going to the daily. Current day low is, oh, there it is. Well, I mean, if we get to current day low, I will be very sad that I missed out on all those profits. But I'm going for a much shorter target here, obviously. On the higher time frame, when you zoom out, it literally just looks like I'm going for a pullback. But we definitely do have the entire Asia's range to completely retrace if we want to. We do see that happen from time to time in the London session. Well, let's see. We are getting a bit of volume here. Okay, looks nice. If we take that 1-to-1, I will go break even on the rest. Carl says, hello, my name is Carl. Hello, Carl. Sarab says, my setup is also signaling short. Okay, we love it. We love when the chat are in favor. Kiz, I'm good. How are you? No trade setups for me yet today. Amazing. There is no problems not having setups here. That is totally normal. I love that you're such a pro, Kiz. Like, you know when to sit out, when to get into the trades. You know what you're doing. Yesterday, that was like, for me, yesterday, the London session was such a boring day. I did not obviously get any setups. So to have a setup this early on in the day, it's nice. It's nice. Could be sitting back having a chill London session if this hits. Okay, yes, Lawrence, like target to unlock Nick and to do a giveaway. All right, we said 400. We said 400 likes yesterday, and you guys smashed that. So I'm gonna say 410. You know what? It's 410. We're gonna just keep upping the stakes here. You guys are smashing the like goals. I think. Oh, come on, NQ, you're not gonna miss me there, are you? I think 410 is not so hard. So 410, we'll do a giveaway if you get there, and we'll unlock Nick. Maybe if you get there. Seattle Selena setups are goated. Oh, thank you. Well, this one hasn't hit, but we're getting there. We're getting there. So Selena, I've noticed that the market behavior has inverted. I mean, what markets used to be NY session is now during London and vice versa. Do you agree? Yes, I actually can agree there. I feel like we are getting so much more cleaner the moves in the London session than New York these days. London is recently sort of sweeping Asia and then reversing, and that's what I like to play. So right now, it's all right. It's been okay for the reversal traders trading London, but New York not so much. New York I have not been looking at. Also helps not trading New York because I am in this time zone, so it's not the best. It's like midnight by the time the New York session starts here, but so that also helps. I haven't actually been watching it or trading it, but London has been providing, so it's been great. Kiss says, haha, thank you. It's taken 2.5 years to get to being comfortable with sitting back and not taking a trade. Literally. I know some of these people need to remember, Kiss, like it does take that 2.5 years. Like it's not quick. It's not an overnight thing. But we are getting close to TP1 here. Let's see. Is NQ going to provide? Oh, are we going to miss TP1 by a tick? If we start to get some momentum here, I might drag this buy limit out. Are we getting a bit greedy or TP1? Oh, look at that. TP1 is sitting at 286.75. And we're floating around 288 right now. Oh, if we react off this little low here, that's going to burn. I'm going to be responsible and go break even just because we did come within, what's that? 287 was that low. All right. So if we're going to end up losing money on this, it wouldn't make sense because I would have been break even if I'd gone a tick below. So going break even. Let's see what we get. Damn, I am not getting Nicholas Wickless out of this. There's just no way. Lost $400 yesterday, but just got it half back. I mean, Southern Boy, that is what it's like. Literally up 400, down 600. Like, literally trading goes like that some days. I feel ya. But glad you're getting it back. Just keep trading your system. You'll get there. Split Striker says, oh, Celine, that TP2 is going for a full change of structure. Good luck. Yeah, I mean, if we do break these, it's just that they're such like nice equal lows. For me, those are clean targets to basically, I think we might run past these areas in price where they just look too smooth. But beyond that, if we do close heavy or we start like, you know, really tanking through this level, I would then go for previous 4 hour low. But if NQ does me dirty off this first trade, I'm not going to be happy. Seriously, what is going on? Literally, guys, that low of that 1 minute candle is 287. It only needed to drop another tick. Nicholas Wiggler's curse is real, literally. Hi, Miss Celine. Hope all is well. Cheers. Thanks, Lone Wolf. I am all good. Happy to be here. Happy White Tea Wednesday, guys. Hope everyone's wearing white. Pelagie Celine's second trade always hits TP. Lately, honestly, you're not lying there. Lately, the first trade gets cooked and second trade banks. So, I mean, Pelagie, I'm break even on this now, Pelagie. So technically, first trade isn't going to cook because we're break even. We don't lose anything. So we're either going to make zero or make bank here. And the only reason I've gone break even before TP1 is literally because it came a tick away from the take profit level. So that's more of a decision I've just made because I think I would be way more angry losing money on this than just accepting a break even based on the fact that I was a tick away from TP1. So just makes a bit more sense. Begun, where is Nick? Nick will be joining from 3 a.m., from 8 a.m. UK, from 3 a.m. Eastern, whichever time zone makes more sense for you. But he will be joining us very soon if we get to the like count goal. So that is the clause, as usual. 410 likes, chat. That's what we need. If you're just joining, make sure you smash that like button. We're already in trades. Frankfurt is open, but London is still asleep. But we potentially could be getting a TP here before London open, and we love that. So make sure you smash the like button, and we'll unlock Nick and we'll do a giveaway. Andrew, don't jinx it. Andrew said, here we go. And now look at price. Came back down, left a little wick there. I mean, is this when Nick would tell me he would tell me to calm down and zoom out? Why don't we do that? All right, Celine. Zoom out. For those of you who were here yesterday, I was DJing to get $70 over the line to pass an eval on the stream. And it was the hardest trade of my life. It was a 3-point trade, that 3-point TP I was going for, and I had to hold it for like a full 10 minutes, and I was sweating because I don't do the DJ stuff. It's just not me. And so Nick was like, just zoom out. It feels better. So here we are. We are zooming out. Inhale, exhale. Yeah, it went a bit like that. Inhale, exhale, zoom out. Thanks, guys. This is why I love honestly streaming and trading, because you guys keep me in check. Honestly, you're like all my little psychology coaches, trading coaches in the chat. If you guys weren't here, I probably would be fuming. Like, what the hell? This monitor would like being shaken right now. But chat, who is in trades? Oh, okay. Thank you for playing nice. Thank you. All right, so we closed out some profits there. We took a nice few $100s on that, and we are holding. Now we will just adjust the orders and let the rest run. If it wants to come out and break even on the rest, I'm okay with that because we've already taken profit, and the plan was to go break even when we hit TP1. So plan is in place. W's to those who took. 16 points, but if you sized heavy or you didn't size heavy, that was one mini. And yeah, letting one contract run. We'll see. Honestly, don't complicate trading, guys. Go for those base hits some days. Especially, I was saying before, FOMC is not one of my favorite days to trade, especially the sessions prior to New York. So I'm happy if we're able to get the win here. I'm literally fine with sitting out the rest of the day if it wants to chop around. Even if it wants to play the range here, if Enki just wants to come down, take this low, like that's fine. Take my TP, and then if it wants to bounce right off there, go ahead. I don't think we're going to get those big sell-off reversal days in the London session right now, just because of news and earnings coming out later today. But I'm also prepared. I'm prepared for it if we have to. But as you can see, I'm targeting these equal lows and NQ as my full TP here. But if anyone has any questions, Justin, Celine's Rolex in the way. Yeah, guys, just bear with me. I'm just going to quickly sneak off to the Rolex after that trade. Go by the pink face. If anyone has questions about that little trade, let me know. I call it a little trade because it literally was 16 points. But we're still green. We're still up a few $100s after that. So We good. Shorts always work, Lucifer. Longs always suck. Literally, I much prefer to be in shorts. You guys know, like, if I can short, I would much rather that. It's only because I find that shorts, well, everyone, it's not just what I find, but just what happens is that when you're in shorts, markets just dump. It falls, and when the market is being bought up, it just gets bought up so slowly with little pullbacks, and I just hate being a part of that. It's just the way I am mentally. I just need to either see the money or see the L. Like, just make it quick. Justin says, seems like this week 16 points has been the smartest trades. Yeah, honestly, taking those base hits some days, especially when it's like a news heavy week and when there's no clear direction, especially at all-time highs, and when you don't know if it's just going to completely reverse on you or dump on you. I think base hits, I'm a big fan of base hit trades. And that there was literally a base hit. Going break even and still letting a contract run, but like just taking my base hit out of there, taking that 1-to-1, letting the rest sit there. I think that's what's the last month and a bit has really helped. Really helped with the profitability. And yeah, I'm liking this new profit taking system I'm using. What's your win rate, Celine? Using this strategy, it's around 60%. I trade every day live on stream, so I don't know if anyone keeps track of what I'm taking on here. But I mean, that account I showed you guys yesterday, I was trading only the London session. That was a 150k Tradeify growth, and I passed it in 3 to 4 weeks. So longer than some, maybe shorter than others, but like that's like a fair enough, I think, amount of time to be sitting on an eval. You wouldn't want to be sitting on an eval for too much longer, but yeah. Trades by Arjun. Celine, do you use ICT trading strategy? Yes. Yeah, I do. I use ICT concepts. I use things like fair value gaps, liquidity points like Asia kill zone sessions. I use liquidity sweeps. I use PO3. I use all his all those concepts. I use these concepts even for like profit taking, like relatively equal lows, being being clean targets. So it's all ICT based concepts, but I don't like to be labeled an ICT trader. I really hate that. Hey Gabe. Hello. Why did you decide to enter a short, Rob? Okay, so reason I was in the short here is because at what time is this? Basically at Frankfurt Open, we popped up, swept previous 4-hour high. This gray box is the 4-hour bearish gap, and this had just been tapped into. We have been respecting the midpoint of this. We haven't closed above, so I'm still bearish based on this, based on being tapped into a high time frame bearish gap. As well as that, there was little to no wick on the 4 hours. So yes, we have shifted now bearish on this candle and look like we are distributing to the downside, but there was little to no wick on the 4 hour. So I like to play that as the reason why I was in shorts. But the reason I entered at that time was because there was a sweep of the previous 15-minute high. I can go back, just quickly replay that. So at the time I entered, we had a sweep of the previous 15-minute high. So that's this candle here, the 156 high. So that's previous 15-minute high put in. Once we swept that, and obviously the previous 4-hour high, now that is the alignment I look for. That is the alignment I love. And once we have the inversion fair value gap printed, that's what I enter off. So that's my signal to say, okay, there is bearish momentum here. And I can quickly market that once I get the confirmation of the inversion. So at the close of this candle, once that printed, I was literally in at market, stops just a bit above the high to allow for the Nicholas Wickless treatment. And yeah, stops to break even when I hit 1-to-1. It is literally probably one of the more simpler ways of trading. Like, I don't like to complicate things. That's just because the way I am in my mind. You guys know I am not very complicated, but I've just put that together, and it's how I've decided to trade the London session, and it works quite nicely these days. Spitz West on your patience and saying waiting 3 weeks to pass an eval. Okay, no. So Striker, I don't do that for all evals. I was trading that alongside fundeds, but evals for me, if I can just pass them in 1 to 2 days, I will. Like 1 to 2 trades max, but this particular one, I was trading alongside fundeds as well. So that's why that one took a little bit longer. Same for this account that I'm on right now. But we should manage to pass this today also. We are almost passing, actually. Need to keep that in mind. We probably don't need that full target. We need another literally $50. Do the math, chat. Actually, I better have that up on the screen. I've got to remember that. Once we hit... Oh, we better close that. Can we close it? Ah. Wait. We almost passed it. We're almost there. Drop a bit more. Drop a bit more. Oh, gosh. Did I just miss that? We did actually pass the account, but I didn't close the trade because of commissions. We need a little bit more than 53. Come on, NQ. Trades by Adrian. What strategy did you use before ICT? Nothing. ICT was my introduction to the markets. That's how I first started. Oh, bar like 2021, which I talk about, which wasn't really me trading like seriously, but I did trade a bit of like Forex 2021, but I had no strategy to that. That was just pure, literally gambling. But yeah, ICT was the first concepts that I learned and took seriously. So nothing before that. Why don't you move your target? Okay, true. Yeah. Let's just move the buy limit so we pass this account. That would actually suck if this just reverses off there. Oh, we were like, chat, we were like there. We were like $1 over the pass, but I was like, no commissions. We need to just let it drop a little bit more. All right. Let's just see if we can get back down there. It'd be so annoying though if I've calculated this wrong and then we end up like... All right, let's just watch this. All right, ready. When it ticks over 53, I have to close it. Celine, move it back, zoom out. Okay. No, but Justin, I don't need to move the buy limit back because I just need to pass the account. For real. Just let it play out, Celine. Okay. Guys, I'm not stressed about this one because we have already taken profits. And if I don't pass it in this trade, it's all good. But I'm a bit annoyed because I was $1 over passing and then I didn't close the trade. But we good. This could still fall. Sarab says, Celine, I use a very simple setup. I use Bollinger Band on M15. I short if price crosses the 70 mark. Hold on. What are we doing? If price crosses the 70 mark and long when price crosses the 30 mark, but I only trade in the direction of major trend, you can check. Awesome. I'm here for all of your strategies. I'm not one to strategy hop. I am very content with the way I trade, but I love getting to know how you guys trade as well because... All right, what are we doing? Are we dropping here? Please. All right, NQ, come on. I know you want to pass this account. I don't think I've ever closed a trade in TradingView. I think I'm just going to close this. If I click that, it should close a trade, right, chat? Put the cursor over the middle between the charts and trade. All right, and drag it down. Okay. All right, there you go. Ooh. Are we going to pass? Wait, maybe we need a bit more below. Hold on. All right, chat, we're watching this number. If this ticks over 53, we have to close. We only need $40 to pass. Wait. Hold the line. Close. No! It's $2. It's $2! Quick, sell. Oh my gosh, sell. Oh my gosh, chat. No, it's $2. Close. Yes, we did it. We did it. We did it. That was so, I hate when that happens. But chat, we passed. We did the $700 in that trade. All right. So money has been banked. Let's go. Money guns, everyone. I hope everyone has their money guns. Wait. Oh, Roman, sorry. Money gun is not prepared. Hold on, chat. We're going to have to do the manual money gun. I don't know what's going on with my money gun these days, but here we go. Manual money gun. Woo! All right, but for real, that was not a bad trade. I mean, getting that in before London Open, I'm not mad about it. It was closed at $732 to pass the account. Didn't copy trade that, but just to pass the account, I'm happy to be in that. But W21, who is still in the shorts, I still like this to be holding. But there was no need for me to obviously still be in that because I was just trying to pass that eval. So we're done. We are done with that. Let me know if you caught the shorts. And yeah, now we can just chill, have a chill London session. No, but I will still actually for real look for other setups. But for now, if this does want to come back, sweep that previous 15-minute like didn't have a high. So if it does want to come back, sweep that and then make another move to the downside. It'd be the same sort of setup I'd be looking for each and every time. But that's it. That was A+. 4-hour gap tapped into previous 4-hour high sweep at the same time as the previous 15-minute high sweep. And then the 1-minute inversion was the market entry order, holding that till 1-to-1, break even at 1-to-1, and then holding the rest. If I was in a funded, I'd probably still be holding this, but I didn't need to be holding this trade anymore on this eval. And I didn't copy across fundeds. So that was the trade. Any questions? Did you take this on fundeds? Nope. No, I didn't. You can instant activate your account right now, Slane. Yeah, I can. I can do that right now. If we want to do it live, we can. I also have the other accounts from yesterday to activate. It might not have updated straight away, not gonna lie. Because it's sitting here. Chat. It hasn't updated straight away, not gonna lie. It's still sitting there. I can show you. Oh wait, I refreshed again. There we go. Okay, that's the account we just passed. We can activate this right now. Activate funded. Done. All right. We can trade that. I can activate all of them, but then I need to go and fix my copy trader up. So Roman says, did you went long? No, Roman, I went short. I went short in the end, Roman. Was that a 50k eval? You trade 2 minis on the 50k? Yeah, it was. I was just trading 2 minis to get, I had to make $700 to pass the rest of that account. So yes, I did risk. It was a 15-point risk though. So nothing crazy. Darth Linux, what's your win rate with this strategy? It's around 60%. That's taking 1-to-1. I've only started to, I didn't backtest this, but the profit taking system that I do now is go break even at 1-to-1 and let a contract run for a structured target like the session low or the 4-hour low or anything like that. But what I backtested was 1-to-1, just base hits. Morning, Lucky Mon. Tara says, ill widescreen. No, widescreens are the best. Now that's interesting. That account, oh, that account's obviously gone. I was like, why are my executions gone? Absolute degen, but 2 minis on 50k is diabolical. It's an eval. Get smoked. It's an eval. It's not a funded. I obviously now the plan for this funded account is to trade micros. So I'm not crazy. I'm not going to be trading 1 mini or even 2 minis. Like, no, not on a 50k. Do not recommend. How do you go about sizing, Maurice? I generally will trade. I like to have 10 trades per amount of drawdown. So I will change it depending on how much drawdown I have. For example, if it's the 5,000, then I will trade $500. to make 500 at the very least. So when I go 1-to-1, trying to make risk 500 to make 500, and then going break even on the rest, sometimes making more, sometimes just making 500, sometimes losing. But yeah, that's what I mean. What are the Asia kill zone timings, Pratish? Asia kill zone, I mark up from 8 to midnight. So from 8 p.m. Eastern to midnight. That's that blue zone here. So for me, that has been swept. Arjun, why don't you pass in a single trade? I do. I do. I did just have some accounts that I had sitting there that just had a few. That one had a few $100. Yesterday's had $70 to left to trade. But sometimes I pass them in 1 to 2 days and just degen and risk it all. And some days I just like to trade it a bit more mentally and just remember to trade like I normally would in the funded phase with a bit more risk in mind. Justin says first trade on a fresh funded, go heavy slant. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. First trade on a funded. If you're not going heavy, what are you even doing? Trades by Arjun, I like the growth accounts, but select accounts have a lot of very good things about them. You can read about all of our different accounts if you go tradeify.co, but each to their own. I think we have the best accounts in the business though. No, I'm not just saying that, honestly. Yes, yep. Amir, profit target for the 50Ks is 3,000. Abhishek, when is Nick hopping on the stream, Celine? Abhishek, Nick will be hopping on in 20 minutes. So he will be with us very soon. I'm going to get a quick check on the like goals, the like count though, because let's have a look. Let's have a look. I said 410 likes and we'll bring Nick on and we'll do a giveaway. But if we haven't gotten that, then I guess we're not going to do it. Chat, 190 likes? 190 likes for real? Not good enough. If we get to 410, we'll do a giveaway. We'll bring Nick on. We've got 20 more minutes and there is over 440 of you watching. So if literally half of you just go on like, that's all we need. We'll do a giveaway. We've been pumping those likes every single day. So 410 is nothing. I might just, for anyone joining, I'm just going to mark up the trade. Just if anyone is curious, this was the trade we were in. We took profit around here. Okay. Roman, if you would go long, would you lose money in this case? Yes, Roman. Okay. Roman's studying. I love it. So the only reason I made Roman... The only reason I made money, Roman, in this trade is because I went short. So for anyone who is just beginning their trading journey, basically there are two decisions you can make in trading. It's either long or short. And in this case, I said short. And I happened to say short at the right time because the market went down. And if the market went down, then that means we make money. Roman, if I was long in this case at the time that I went short, and that means I expect the market to go up, I would have lost money because the market went down. So I hope that makes sense. Roman says, thanks a lot. No worries. Roman, you can ask me questions anytime. But that goes to any of you who could, who has questions, just drop them in the chat. If you're just beginning and you just found Tradeify TV, that's the point. You know, not everyone here is an expert. I'm definitely still no expert, but I can probably answer most questions. Do the giveaway before Nick comes on the stream. The business lens, I can't because he has the spin the wheel authority, so I need him. I need him to do the giveaway. Brandon Vang says, woo, $1,100 first day in a 50K funded. That is a lot for a 50K. What do you mean? What size are we trading? But hell yeah, that's a nice profit on a 50K. Were you trading minis? Is it possible to copy trade two growth accounts if one on trade C, one on trade of 8? Good question. I was copy trading with trade C and then I was copy trading with trade of 8, separately. So I'm actually not sure 100%. Maybe we need to ask Nick when he gets here if he does that through another trade sync or something like that. But I was copying separate, if that makes sense. But I'm pretty sure through trade sync you'd be able to copy all your accounts across. Brandon, 2 minis, just a few base hits. 2 minis on a 50K, Brandon? That is wild. Wild, guys. Wait, do all of you... Wait, am I the only one that just won't trade minis on a 50K? I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'm just like risk averse, but I could never. Robot says, I'm opening an exchange for sideways orders. I'm with you, Robot. I'm with you in opening up that exchange. Oh, so I trade 2 minis on a 50K. Got to build that buffer. Yeah, but then you have to like, then you got consistency. Then you have to like keep trading that heavy. Prathish, yes, today Celine with the white top and the white charts. Well, I had to. It's White Tea Wednesday. Doesn't feel right if you're not wearing a white tee if it's a Wednesday. Wesley says was trading 6 minis on 100K to pass evals, but definitely not. Okay. All right. In evals, obviously, but definitely not in fundeds. Like, there's just no way. I trade max what they allow me to trade. Yeah. XVQQXX. Me too. That's the real way to do it, honestly. Just to max out the profits and limit the amount of time you're spending on the eval phases. Obviously, that's not the phase you want to be stuck in the most because you're not actually making the real money. But once you get to funded, you obviously have to size down. And that like mental shift sometimes is hard for me because I'm just so easy. Like, I'll be real. I got into a couple of funded accounts a couple of weeks ago and then was trading minis by mistake just because I was in that, degen, like it happened instantly, got them funded and then wanted to trade them straight away. And then it's just not like that. When you get to the funded phase, you have to rethink all your sizing. Like, what do you mean? If you lose, there goes like almost all of your drawdown. And then you've got a few $100s left to trade. You can only trade micros. And then it's such a slow, scale back up out of that drawdown. So don't recommend if you get funded and you're trading real funded accounts, size down, trade properly, and just trade slowly. There is no rush. Smilo, do you trade gold? Sometimes I do trade gold. Lately, I don't remember. The last time I traded gold, I was on stream with you guys. And I think I hit TP on that. But lately, I haven't really been able to eye up anything on gold that I like. We have swept out previous 4-hour lows. So right now, I am more bullish bias based on that. We are close to Asia low here though, so I would prefer to see sweep of this session level at 4589.1 before I get involved into anything here. But I'm not really loving anything right now on gold. Not too sure where we're heading there. Looks like a bit, if you keep zooming out, like we are just in a bit of a chop. And unless we break out of this level or reverse and like sweep out this Asia low, then I probably don't really like anything. But that's just me. I'm sure some of you guys could probably mark out trades you like in gold right now, but I just don't see anything for my setup. Do you use growth or select account? Growth. Morning LSG. All right, Lucifer says I trade 2 micros in a 50K funded, 5 micros in a 100K funded, and 8 micros in a 150K funded. That sounds pretty reasonable. That's about right. Obviously, it depends like what your risk size is, but mine is generally the same. Like, I won't go over 35 points. I think for me, then the trade is not right. There has to be a maximum stop loss size for me. But in New York, that also varies, to be honest. Lately, we've just had such... You got to keep up with like the ATI. If the range is just so big and a 35 like average candle is like 40 points, it just doesn't make sense to have those stop losses anymore. So I do have to adapt to those crazier New York session volume that we get. So, but generally speaking, like you won't see me taking a trade in London session more than like 30 points risk. Trades by Arjun. Yes, the name of the indicator. I have 2 indicators on right now. One I'm using for my session, which is the Asia session here, and key levels is the sessions and levels by Script Edge, and the Celine trades model is the other one that prints when for example the trades I like to take, they become visualized. So it's not like a signal, but it does show me where the patterns are showing up. So I like that because it just helps me visualize what I'm looking for. So I can see previous 4-hour high sweep. I can see when that aligns with the previous 15-minute high sweep. So for example, right now that is still intact. So I'm not getting, I have no reason to be shorting this right now. And until that sweeps and makes an inversion, then I would get back in. But yeah, that's why we ended up here, because I got that inversion reaction I wanted. And this is also another time it occurred, but it wasn't in this. So it is up to your discretion whether you want to be taking these trades. That's why for me, it's more of a visualization tool. Celine, yesterday I had 2 MNQ with Nick and I slept without stop loss and my accounts got liquidated. The brand swappy, oh my, I'm like, I have nothing to say to that. I actually feel so sad. But you know, you knew what you were risking. Nick didn't make any of you get into that trade. So, I mean, sad for your accounts, but I could never be in like a trade and go to sleep without a stop loss. It's just not in my DNA. I can't do it. I don't know. I can't help it. I love a gamble, but not that much. Hey, ladies in the chat, smash the like button, folks. Leia, you are so spot on. Let's see. Where are we at with our like count? We got 10 minutes to go, Ian. If we don't get 410 likes, there will be no giveaway and there will be no Nick. 238 with 500 of you watching. Chat, that's not okay. That is not okay. There are enough of you here, guys. Please go and smash the like button so we can do a giveaway. I want to give you guys accounts. Lately, every day I've been smashing the like targets, giving away crazy giveaways. Like yesterday, how many accounts did we give away? I don't even recall, but it was a lot. The day before, a lot. All right, we want to keep that up. Wow, this market is just going to fall, isn't it? Like I said, if we get a crazy reaction through these equal lows, like this, like we're getting volume. Damn, wish I copy traded this across accounts now. Would have held. Then I see previous 4-hour low is the next target here, and then dumping, honestly, all the way to daily open Asia low next. So let's see what sort of reaction we get to these equal lows. Let's see. Clean, though. If you guys are still in the shorts, clean. Clean market structure right now. Sheesh, look at that. Did we top tick the shorts, chat? No, I'm just kidding. All right, let me just quick get it. I'm gonna keep checking these likes because we are so far behind. Oh my, no, we are so far behind. I'm gonna give it 5 minutes. If you're just joining, we have already taken shorts. Smash the like button. We've already taken trades. We've already passed accounts. Like the stream. We're gonna do a giveaway as soon as Nick arrives. If you get to 410 likes, I will bring Nick on. If not, it's just gonna be me for 3 hours. So sad for you guys. Lau, good morning, Celine. How long did it take you to pass the eval? I never know with these ones. Let me check. I sometimes trade evals separately, copy traded, not all at once. So that one that I just activated funding on, how can I see? Can you see your past data if you've already activated the funding? I think no. I don't know. Actually, I've already activated the funding on that one, so I can't show you the journal. That doesn't help. It doesn't actually show you how long that took. I don't know. Let's say a couple of weeks. I actually don't recall, and I don't want to lie about it, but probably a couple of weeks. I actually don't remember. You can tell there's a lot of accounts I'm working with here, so that particular one I have no idea. Zuab says, Celine, do you think it'll go down all the way to previous day's low? I mean, it's not our job to guess, but I like Asia low as a target here. I'm not going to say a dump to previous day low is off the charts, but I just don't think for London session. We are going to have a very heavy news afternoon today, so I'm not expecting a very crazy London session, to be honest. I think New York's going to be just as choppy because until we get that data, we have major earnings coming out today. I mean, Google, Meta, who else do we have? Like all these major, the Mag 7, they all have huge sway on where NQ goes. So Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, all today. So just keep that in mind. I think those earnings are very important as well. And I think that's what's really going to rock the boat here. So I'm keeping that in mind, not expecting like a huge dump or pump right now. Morning Sling, why do you only calculate your Asia range from 8 to midnight? Because of ICT Asia kill zones. It's literally the only reason. Eekmeek says, lol, should have held. There was no reason for me to hold this because I was in an eval and I only needed this amount to pass. That's the only reason I was... Sorry, we passed up here. That's the only reason I was in that trade. Needed 22 points roughly to pass that account and we took it. But yeah, if I was in funders right now, I would still be in these shorts. Oh, sure. Trading and holding this short. It is nice. We did tap into that 4-hour gap. It is an A+ short, not going to lie. Where do you check their earnings, Sonia? You can go straight to, I literally just go nasdaq.com. You can go market activity /earnings, and this is the earnings calendar. So if you just check this, it'll tell you every day what's coming up. And yeah, it just lists it by company name, and obviously the major ones are going to be towards the top. But yeah, that is all. You should hold Celine. Chat. If you're just joining, I'm out of this trade already. I'm out of this trade. I passed the account and I'm waiting for another setup. I wasn't copy trading. I was literally just holding on one account. Maybe I need to type that. Do I need to like make that known? Out of this trade. Just already passed the account. How about that? For anyone joining, that is more clear. So you guys aren't like, you should have held. Already out of this trade, already passed the account. Cool. There you go. I was trolling Celine. Oh, very funny. Okay, you guys are actually trolling. Time, price, time. Hi, Celine. First time on your stream. Very cool. Wow. We love newbies. Welcome. Welcome to Tradeify TV. I'm glad you like it. Hope you were here to watch the win, catch the win with me if you were. Congrats. But we have a very special host coming on soon. We call him the Nictator around here. And if you guys get the like count, he will be joining me and we will be doing a giveaway. So stay around. We have 3 hours of the London session stream now. So for those who are new, you guys get to trade with us, chat with us for the full 3 hours now, which is amazing. So right now we're sitting at 292 likes and you have 2 more minutes. And I'm not even joking. We're not going to do a giveaway. Like that's a very serious threat. You don't get there, then we don't do a giveaway. And we also don't get Nick on. So hurry up, go, 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 smash the likes. It's not freaking hard. Just saying. I mean, I've already taken a win. What else do you want? We passed the account. Okay. Don't say I don't provide the setups. Hey, just saying. But yeah, I've got it like on my phone right now. So I'm watching. Yeah, I know. The likes are a joke. Come on, over 500 viewers, click the thumbs up. Nick's in the chat. Nick says, all right, I'll take a day off. See you tomorrow. Chat. No, Nick. They're going to do it. They're going to do it. Have faith. No, 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 no. Wait, is he here? He's not even in the back room yet. He literally is taking the day off, guys. For real, chat? This is pathetic. 410's not even that hard. There are 500 people here. Okay? We have 315 likes now. Not bad, but we need like 100 more in a minute. If you don't get there before Nick gets here, if that number doesn't change to 410, then we won't do a giveaway, and that's sad. Go for sushi, Nick. No, we want Nick on stream, guys. We need to see his setups, his gambling. Yes, Roman, the like button, not the heart. Guys, I see the love hearts. I appreciate it, but we need the thumbs up button to be smacked. Not the likes. I mean, not the hearts. And Nick has arrived, but he might not be needed today. If you guys don't get the likes, he will go eat sushi. He probably has some squash to play or something, right? Not today, actually. All right, 500, over 500 of you watching. Go and smash the like button. and stop being lazy. I'll go eat sushi in the sauna or something. That sounds sick. Hurry up. Hurry up. Come on. Come on, chat. I'm channeling. Come on. You guys can do it. There is 1 more minute. 30 seconds left of this 1 minute candle. Can you do it? We want to do a giveaway. 410 likes. It's not crazy. Roman says, I had a dream. I slept our 7 a.m. stream and woke up at 8. Roman, do not ever do that. Imagine. I would not be able to run the stream without you, Roman. I hope that doesn't happen. Okay. It's looking pretty pathetic, chat. Looking pretty pathetic. We're not anywhere near. We're 346. I don't know. Do we just give up? 530 people and we can't even get 60 more likes. Guys, if you're just joining, no, we don't give up. I don't know. I feel like we give up. If you're just joining, chat, sadly, we don't have the Nictator on today because we didn't get the like counts. Okay. So it was 410. It was 410. And I said we'll do a giveaway, but it's not looking like it. I don't know. I'm going to refresh one more time. Sad. It's just sitting on 369 right now. Someone's trolling. Oh, I don't know. What do we do? Guys, the viewers are increasing, but the likes are sitting there. Make it make sense. How is this happening? No Dictators Wednesday. I mean, it is his YT Wednesday. He would hate to miss today's stream. 376. It's getting there, but we're just literally like, what do we need? 30 more likes. 33 more likes, chat. Come on. Come on. I don't want to keep begging for it. Just do it. Do it. I'm going to refresh. Let's see. Let's see. 386 is very close. I think I might start to get his intro prepared. I think we might be getting there. Come on, chat. Smash the like button. It's not only to bring the Nictator on, but it's also to get a giveaway done within the first few minutes here. So I'm pretty sure that's what you want. If you want the giveaway, we need to do the like count. All right, what are we at? Oh, 392. I'm just going to sit here. Nick, you get comfy back there. I'm just going to sit here. Okay, Nick in longs. Nick in longs, 27 to 70, 50. Chat, come on, we want to bring him on. We want to bring him on. 408. All right, let's go. We're going to get there. Now they want him on, right? You guys are users. You just want to see us trade. All right, 412 likes. We smashed it. Let's bring Nick on. Welcome to the YT wearing hand ever moving GP trading, biohacking, mutual catching, stay with ketchup abusing, sample trolling, intro creating, KFC hating, five guys loving, paddle playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water guzzling, chat banning, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, salmon mango sushi loving, switch battle winning, super slippery, sock walking, accent king. Definitely not CPI full porting, no prep marathon running, Nictator, DMC strategy inventing, Mario Kart king, the one and only Nicholas Wickle.
Come on. And we did it. Look at that. Look at that. I even like the stream. I even like the stream. Look at that. Chat. What's up? What's happening? I see Lucifer with the ones in the chat. You know the drill. Put a 1 in the chat. If you love trading, put a 1 in the chat. If you love making money, put a 1 in the chat. If you love Celine's solo trading stream, put a 1 in the chat. If you love putting ones in the chat, and especially put a 1 in the chat if you think I am the best Mario Kart player in the world. I see lots of ones. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate it.
No one from me today because I was thinking.
I was
ahead of the game, Nick. I was ahead.
All right, put a 1 in the chat if you think Celine is your favorite Tradeify TV host.
Yes.
There you go.
There we go.
All right, and put a 1 in the chat if you think Nick is the best Mario Kart player. There we go.
I've seen it coming.
Dang it. All right, I'm in longs from 27 to 70.5, only 2 micros. So we chilling. We're chilling.
Nice.
And let's see. Did you take any trades? I see one on your charts.
Yes, that was a short. And I put this message out here to say I'm already out of this trade because people kept coming on being like, you should have held, you should have held. I was like, I only held this short. I was only in on one eval and it was just to pass the rest of that account. So I passed it and I'm just sitting back chilling now because I didn't get another setup. So we're out of that. We made the money, we passed the account, and I'm just, haven't seen anything since that trade.
Nice. Leah says, Roman, if I create a musical snippet for Nick's intro or the London Open, would you use it? I mean, send it, Leah, send it. If it's good, we'll use it.
So I'm gonna have to like sing to it, like sing along to your music, Leah. Welcome to... It would be fun. We can make like a whole song about it.
We could. That's true. Brandon, Nick, did you show off the London game? X game during the New York session. Oh, hell yeah. I yesterday during the New York session, I was alone for most of it. So I just shit talked the chat and told them that the London chat is better. So
no. I mean engagement, but like
it was just me. So I was able to do it, you know. Then there was this guy who said, yo, Nick, you're such a loser. The hosts in the London stream are so much better.
If only he knew.
That's funny. Yeah. For everybody asking about my long yesterday from the London stream, that one got cooked. So we're off the 100% win streak now. It's okay though. We're in another long now.
Still running hot. I mean, one loss out of freaking 5.
And the account is still alive. It's not that I cooked the account, but the trade lost.
Oh no, you're still good. You're good.
Yeah.
I'm still very intrigued by this system. Lol, Science says you should consider rapping, Celine. Really? Thank you. I never considered myself a rapper, but hey, I'll take it.
James Leditman says, Nick, what's the average length of a mortgage in Switzerland? Is it true you don't have 30-year mortgages? First of all, is this a real estate stream or is this a trading stream? And second of all, I'm renting. I don't own a house, so I don't know. Haven't spent much time looking into that. All right, let's see, chat. Let's see. Good morning, PPX Trades. Congrats again on winning an account yesterday.
Speaking
Sean
of,
B
we have a giveaway to do very soon.
Oh, giveaway? Wait, you didn't forget?
I didn't forget today.
Okay, let's do a giveaway.
No, I told them. I said 410 likes and they did it. We got there in the end.
Before we do the giveaway, though, we got to talk about the fact that we hit 88,000 subscribers, which
hell yeah,
is pretty fucking sick. So
we need to give ourselves a giveaway. How about that?
Hell yeah. Thank you for that, chat. Thank you for that. Now, let's run the giveaway. If you want to participate in this giveaway, chat, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only fill it out once. If you fill it out more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the Google form is, you will get disqualified as well, so don't do that. And then we're going to see who wins and what they win. Did a lot of giveaways yesterday, so let's see.
You have your biggest fan in the chat, Leo Grossman. Says, tell him he really wants to hear the God voice. He's like, can you just ban someone and do the God voice? It's the same guy that was laughing about it 10 minutes later.
That's funny. He's probably still laughing. Probably. It's probably.
He still has it like running on a separate tab. So funny.
Oh man. Let's see how many people participate. Are you adding anything right now?
No. Sorry, I was just reading the comment. No, nothing for me yet. I would have still been holding this short actually if it was taken on proper accounts, just because it was at eval. I'm out of that. But unless we sweep out this previous 15-minute high, I'm not really liking anything. Like I would potentially take another short if we do get up there. I'm not gonna lie, but if this just wants to continue to pump, I will stay away and let it do its thing. But I like it for the longs now.
All right.
For now.
I'm in the longs, so hey. Hey, Big V actually trying to clap back here says your curse didn't work. Well, Big V, that was only one day. I heard this voice tell you you're not going to be profitable for the next 7 months. So you can make money one day, but
for the next 7.5 months. That's what it was like.
I was like,
months. No, that was actually, yeah, that was hilarious.
Yeah. Let's see. Justin, no, he brought that on himself, man. You know it. You know it. James Lettman just says FC Basel. I guess. 30-year mortgages in FC Basel. So you're a Swiss fan, huh? Let's see.
Adwin says I'm long off Celine if Celine is short. Adwin, I'm already out of my shorts. It's fine. You don't have to be a hater.
It's fine. You can take her fade trade. Wick Sweeper asking, how's that free ice cream, C-Money?
Oh, speaking of, haven't actually, where's Pip-X?
Wait, he didn't
I'm
send you
waiting.
the money?
No, didn't
He
even
owes
reach
you.
out to
He
me.
owes you
Nothing.
$7,800.
That's right, Pip-X. We have now witnesses for that deal we agreed on.
Yeah, proof.
So, show yourself.
Suriluki, when squash? I played squash on Monday. And of course I had sushi after. And of course it was salmon mango sushi. So you know it.
Of course.
You know it. Justin says gelato on stream. We already had that. Celine did that.
Mm-hmm. Pick something else. We'll do it.
Mm-hmm. Suri said no, Nick. Then why are you asking?
It's just out of habit, I think.
Yos NW, how are you at paddle since you also play squash? I mean, not that great, but better than Celine.
He loves to think that. There has been no confirmation of this.
I'm just looking forward to our bet, Celine. You know, I'm looking forward to bring the 20K cash. You bring your 10K cash. If I win, you give me the 10. If you win, you'll get the 20.
Nick. I am ready for that. Okay. I just need to make sure, because it is a doubles game. So I need to make sure my partner is ready, right? So I got to make sure Claudia is up to scratch.
Yeah.
But I'm ready. I am ready. You make sure Chicken's up to scratch.
Are you 100% sure you want to take that? I'll give you one more time. I'll give you one more chance to get out of that bet right now.
I am in. I am so in. Like, I'm almost going to up the bet.
Want to make it double or nothing? 20 for 40? Nah, you're not going to pay up anyway. So let's do 10 for 20.
Shut up. I am going to pay. I am going to pay up.
So where are my Lightning Funded accounts then?
That's all part of this, remember?
No, that's not part of this, remember?
Yes, it is. Go back to the stream. It is.
No, it's not.
Said...
Celine, do you really want to do this to yourself again? You want me to go back to a stream and show you proof that that's
No, I can't be bothered because I know you will literally sit there for the next 20 minutes and go back. I can't be bothered.
Exactly. So, Lucky Mon says, make Hannah your partner. Oh, that would be fun.
No, Hannah doesn't play. It's Claudia or it's nothing. Claudia is my paddle partner.
Jonathan says, the thing I'm seeing here is Nick donation. Free donation to Nick. Yeah. Again, chat, here is proof. I'll give Celine one more chance to exit this bet. However, if she doesn't exit this bet right now, she will have to pay the 10K if she loses. I will pay her the 20K if she wins. Absolutely no problem. But she will have to pay the 10K. I gave her another chance to get out. Celine, do you want to get out?
I am going to pay the 10K. I don't want to get out of this. I am not getting out of this. Okay? Finished.
Okay. Good. Here you have it, chat.
What is with these people, chat, and not thinking I don't pay up?
Well, you owe 16K to Sputnik, so.
Yeah. No, we wiped that debt.
We all have proof now. We gave her a chance. She said she's going to pay. She is going to do this. So, James, this is in Swiss francs or pound sterling. It's going to be in USD. So 10,000 US dollars, or if I win, and 20,000 US dollars if she wins. Jonathan says, "Hey Nick, with that 10K, imagine how much pizza you can buy me." That's funny.
Are you getting pizza this weekend, Jonathan? Pizza Friday? Has to be. Nick will be beaten. PM Kaka, you just went to the top of my favorite viewers. Favorite, like
so
almost gonna
we
be
have
Leah.
Double proof here, and we're 100% sure. We're talking about 10,000 US dollars and 20,000 US dollars, correct,
We
Celine?
can do it in pound. We can do it in US.
But that's a lot more, though, Celine. That's a lot.
Oh, we could do it in like chef if you want. We could do it in the Swiss franc. We could do it in.
Hey, Celine, just so you know, just so you're aware, I think you're not aware. 10,000 USD in GBP is only 7,400. So if we do 10,000 GBP, then you're going to be paying 13,000. That's like 35% more.
Well, like it's a lot.
All right. You're talking a big game. You got to follow through.
Andrew says do baht, Celine. You want to do like Indonesian rupiah? Okay. 10,000 rupiah. Chat. I'm good. Nick, I'm good. You guys, don't you worry. I love how you're already like questioning me and no one's ever seen me play a game of paddle. No one's ever seen me. What if I'm a freak? What if I'm actually
true.
like...
That's true, but I'm going by pure logic, right? You have played about 10 or maybe 15 games of paddle. I have played 130 plus. So just pure logic, us both not being professional paddle players, us both being probably like athletic, but not like crazy, super talented. Just by pure logic, me having played 10 times more than you is gonna lead to me probably winning this. So.
Well, the other, I mean, I get what you're saying there. Definitely you've played more than me, but the other thing you're not understanding here, Nick, is it's a doubles match. So we rely on our partners to show up, and you're playing with chicken, a literal chicken.
Well,
so I wouldn't be surprised if he pulls out.
I believe in chicken.
Okay. I believe in Claudia. So there you go.
I mean, we can even play in chicken costumes and we will win.
Okay, you guys can do that. We can definitely add that as part of it. You guys have to play in chicken outfits, and that's how confident you are. Go for it. Go for it, Nick. I encourage you.
But if we win, what gets added to the bet is that you have to wear a chicken outfit on Tradeify TV for a full month.
No, not a full month. Not a full month. That is just that. No, that's ridiculous.
Well, I mean, you're going to win anyway, so does it matter?
I'll do a day. I'll do a chicken outfit for a day on stream. That's a full 3 hours of my life that I wear a chicken outfit.
Let's do a week.
No.
Oh, so you're afraid you're going to lose?
No, I'm not afraid. I just know how to, no. I'm deciding I'm deciding that is not a good enough deal to take, okay? One day or nothing. I don't have to agree to that.
We're going to play normal outfits. It's all good. We play normal outfits.
Okay, fine. What are they betting? Guys, we're doing a paddle. We're doing a paddle battle.
Paddle battle. Hell yeah. Paddle battle.
It is so sad so many of you aren't rooting for me. I'm actually so disappointed in this chat. Guys, I might be a freak at paddle. None of you would know. Gaming aside, the skill it takes to beat Nick at gaming is a very different skill it takes to beat Nick at paddle. I'm just saying.
You don't have either.
You don't know, buddy. You have no idea.
Call me buddy all you want, but that 10K is mine.
You will see. Nick is gonna have a payday. Chat, just shut it. Zip it, chat. Okay? Some of you are gonna be next. I'm gonna open this up. Once I beat Nick, Justin, honestly, you're definitely next.
Honestly, for 10, like once you're in Greece, it's honestly worth it for me to fly over to Greece, play a bit of paddle, enjoy the sun, and then get 10K, have the trip paid for. I'll actually come to Greece for that.
Okay. To Thessaloniki?
Thessaloniki, you mean? To eat some Thessaloniki?
Do it. You are more than welcome. But yeah. I'm ready. Like I said, I'm ready.
All right. Let's see. Still in this trade, obviously, by the way, chat. I'm only in 2 micros right now. I'm looking to add more, lower, if we go lower.
I'm kind of annoyed. I wasn't in these shorts from in like copy traded accounts. Kind of stupid, but it is what it is.
Amir says, Nick, let me join. I can put money down and we share the 10K. I don't want to share the 10K. That would be dumb.
What is this paddle you speak of, Brandon? There's no way, Brandon, you don't know what paddle is. It's pretty much tennis. Let's put it that way.
Yeah.
Tennis with walls.
Tennis with walls. It's kind of like a mix of tennis and squash.
All right, executing visions. I love that perspective. He says, I must say, I'm an athlete and my lady is better than me. It's all about how you hit the ball. You have a chance, Celine. 100%. It is. It's about how you hit the ball, like especially in paddle, because I'm obviously short. I'm on the shorter side. I can get it in those low corners. I can. Chat, don't worry. I got this.
You got this, girl. Yay.
Shut up. Nick, I will delete you from the stream if you talk like that.
I believe in you, Celine. I believe in you.
Thanks.
But I gave you the chance to exit this bet. And you are going to pay up. You said it. So.
Girl power, 1DA. Girl power.
Yeah.
Now, where are you looking to add? Looking at this trade, where are you actually looking to add?
Let's see. So I'm interested to add if we run down to like 226-ish down to like 195. Love to run those levels. You see this wick right here? That's like the 191. So pretty much adding throughout this area right here. Like this. I'll actually put it on the chart so you can see it. So once we tap into this, I'll start adding at 225 and then all through down to the wick.
Nice. That is actually my Asia low.
Oh, there we go again.
The Asia low. An Asia low. What do you want me to say? Okay, what do you actually want me to say there? Because people are going to get confused if I say Asia lows. I have to say my Asia low. What do you want me to call it? The low of my Asia. What?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Just call it whatever you want to call it.
I will. I will continue to do that.
I know that you will.
Chat, are we in trades? Let us know. Who's in longs? Who's in shorts? Are you still holding the short? I mean, were you in the Frankfurt short with me in the first hour? You're still in. Nice, nice.
That was a good trade. How many points did you get on that?
I just closed out at the profit target level, 22 points for that short.
All right. All right, all right, all right.
Oh, good point. Deepak, Nick, we have to do the giveaway. Deepak says.
Oh yeah, now I forgot. Lol.
Lol.
Lol. All right, Leah, you weren't as fast as yesterday. You filled it out, second place. Somebody spammed the N-word again in the poll. You're very funny. Ha ha ha.
Not even funny.
So you think I won't see it, but I will see it every single time. Every single time. Also, Address Ahmad filled it out like 62 times. So Address Ahmad, you will be disqualified. I just gotta set that up really quick. Chat, you're just delaying the giveaway by doing things like that. I'm telling you. So you're disqualified. Now I'm gonna take some time. I'm gonna actually go through every single entry here.
Wow. Chat.
We're probably just gonna stop doing giveaways if we have cheaters. All right, the rest of you look good. Just those two stupid people. Good.
Yes, guys, there was a giveaway. I mean, if you've already missed out, I don't know, Nick, are we going to let them enter if they missed, or are we done? Are we done with entries?
Just double checking to be 100% sure. All right.
But we potentially could do a second giveaway here, guys. So if you did miss the first one, don't sweat it. We will, well, usually if you guys smash the second like goal, we will do a second giveaway. So,
yep.
All right. Good.
I got it. Got everybody in there. So, nice. Giveaway time, chat. Giveaway time. Copying everybody over, spinning the wheel. First winner of today, Tradeify TV, 29th of April, 2026 is Namiao.
No, it's Namiao.
Namiao. C4Q. Congrats. Type something in the chat.
Woohoo. Congrats. First giveaway of the day.
Yep. Namiao. Where are you at? Oh, says I'm here. There we go. All right, Namiao, let's see what you win. You get the chance to win a growth account. You get the chance to win a select account. You get the chance to win a lightning funded account. You get the chance to win free pizza, and you get the chance to win free merch. So spinning all wheels, let's see what you win. You, Namiao, win a 50K growth account. Nice, congrats.
Hell yeah.
50K growth account. Should we gamble it?
I think I'm down for that. Yes. Why did I even stutter? Yes, gamble.
All right. Look, Namiao, you get a chance to do a 0, single, double, or triple. Meaning. If you land on 0, you will lose your account. If you land on 1, you will get the account. If you land on 2, you will get 2 accounts. If you land on 3, you will get 3 accounts. So 75% chance you're walking away with an account, 25% chance you are going to lose, 50% chance you're going to walk away with more than 1 account. Let me know. You want to spin it?
You're feeling lucky, Namiao? Love that username. Namiao.
Let's see. He says, yeah. All right.
Yes. Okay, cool.
Here we go. Namiao. Ooh. Oh. Walking away with 1 account. Okay. You tried. Walking away with a 50K growth account.
I was going to say, it's been a while since someone's actually like missed out on the account. Like usually you're winning 1, 2, 3.
We haven't hit 0 in a while. That's correct. So Namiao, all you got to do now is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it's the email address that you actually use to log into your Tradeify accounts, because if it's not, we will not be able to send you your account. Once it's in there, give us up to 7 days. If you ask us about your giveaway account before the 7 days have passed, I'm sorry, but I will make fun of you. So don't.
Cameron says Selena's cursed the next person who gambles now. I know. I thought about that just after I said it. My bad.
Yeah, she probably just jinxed it.
Oops.
We'll see. Leo Grossman says, meow, 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 meow. Funny.
1DA, no, I'm not looking for a sweep to go long now, because this 4-hour candle will be the same candle for the next 3 hours until 6 a.m. So that's it. As soon as that first sweep happens, so previous 4-hour high sweep, I am short bias looking for the short. If it goes to previous 4-hour low, that doesn't change anything for me. I'm not trying to long off there at all. Definitely can reverse off there. Definitely can make the move up, but it's just not an entry signal for me.
I'm just chilling in this long.
Wait, he says, I can't see where I can send my email. You put it in your YouTube channel description. To the description.
All right,
of your YouTube
look,
channel.
I'll make this real easy for you, okay? Here. You go to your channel. All right, go to your channel. Go to your description here. You will have the option to edit this description. Add your email into your description so we can see it. And then that's it. Initial Maverick says, I won an account on the crypto stream yesterday for guessing France on GeoGuessr. Wow, nice. Nice.
I was going to say, KS Ruth says, how do I participate in giveaways? We just give you a Google form, and then all you have to do is fill that out, and then we'll spin the wheel. So, we need a new like count goal. What are we doing?
We're sitting at 685 viewers, so let's do 685, I guess.
Okay, done. You heard it, chat. 685, and we'll do a second giveaway, as we normally do.
I lost my Lightning funded account 50k today without a payout, says Augie. Sorry to hear that.
Sorry for your loss.
Sorry for your loss.
But it's okay. You can always reload as we do. That's what the pop game is all about.
Meow says, I added my mail in my channel, Nick and Celine. All right, let me check.
Nice.
Yep, I can see it. All good. Perfect. Now I just got to wait 7 days.
Amia, I'm all for it. Amia says, let's get 1,000 viewers today again. I am here. If you guys want to bring the viewers, go and call everyone you know.
I mean, yesterday we got almost 900. The day before we got over 1,000. So maybe 1,000 again today. I mean, tell your grandma, tell your grandpa, tell your cat, tell your dog, tell your mom, tell your sis.
I mean, potentially, maybe this is a day FOMC that people just don't trade. So maybe not today, but it will happen again, Amia. Don't worry. Ruri K says, Mexicans, what are you doing here? I see you at night. I see you at NQ Open. Mexican Dance is just always here. He says, Mexican Dance I'm trying to win a giveaway, lol.
Mexican Dance is really always here.
He is really always here. There are a few people that I know for sure just don't sleep and just trade all day, like the DJs that they are. Addicts. The little addicts that we all are.
Nick, how long did it take before he became profitable? 3 years. Anja says he won one time. Mexican Dance won one time?
I mean, it's inevitable. If you've been an OG, if you watch a stream, if you show up each and every stream, you have the probabilities are there. You have to win an account. There's just no way.
Let's see.
You're going to pull up the probabilities?
I love probabilities, you know it. I love my numbers.
I know you're going to pull up
I was
stats.
just reading this comment from Robot. Who said the form broke, but then people were scared to ask for the form.
Why are they scared of us?
Because then they get banned from the giveaway.
Oh no. Oh no, guys.
But the form didn't break. It was working. I know. I checked it.
That's terrible, Nick.
Justin says, once you win, you will never win again. Well, not true. Look at Trader Ben FX. Trader Ben FX wins all the time because he's the GOAT of giveaways. GOAT of giveaways is going to win. My bet, or no, I wouldn't say a bet, but my guess is Trader Ben FX is going to win another giveaway within the next 45 days. Without me rigging it, of course.
Ooh, you're going to really put those numbers out there? 45 days for Trader Ben to win another account.
I wouldn't be surprised, you know?
All right, let's put a date on that. 45 days from now.
Justin says we all know Trader Ben FX is Roman.
Wait, no, but for real.
Jonathan, so far, nobody has won a pizza, or actually, like 3 people have won a pizza besides you, but nobody took it. Only you took it because you're a legend. Somebody actually changed their name to Trader Ben. Trader Ben E6C. Interesting strategy. Jonathan, I'm craving pizza right now, actually. I didn't eat dinner last night, so I'm hungry. I could eat a pizza right now.
I am hungry.
No time for dinner yesterday.
I am hungry. Wait, why?
I was just working. And then it was 10 p.m. And then I went to sleep.
Damn, that is too late. Way too late to be eating.
Leah says I can order you one, Nick, if you like. True, you still owe me one. That's true. But we got to do that, Leah. We got to do that when you're on stream. Here's a fun fact, Leah. I have never had Domino's. Okay, yeah, I know. Chat's gonna go crazy now. I know. Cool. Never had it. There is one in my town, I realized. And I wanted to try it last time when we ordered, but my fiance, she doesn't like fast food chain pizza, which is understandable. She likes proper Italian pizza, so we ordered that, of course. But if we're gonna order pizza when Leia is on stream, you can order from Domino's. Let's see. I have to try it.
Well, I mean, IRL stream.
Yeah, I mean,
how far is it? What are we talking?
Let me look.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh my god, chat. We could be getting an IRL Domino's stream right now.
Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna dox my location. One second.
Dox, yeah.
1 second. Ew, it only has 3.9 stars.
Oh yeah, Domino's is trash, Nick. I don't want you to eat it, but I mean,
unfortunately, Celine, it opens up at 11. That's when our stream stops.
Damn. Wow, things open late.
That means, Leia, we gotta order it the day before you come on stream, and then I'll eat it cold.
Oh, I will not. Can you please make it a day I'm not here, please?
Why? What's your problem?
Just don't want to see you eating cold pizza.
It would be, I'm still checking though. It would be by car 14 minutes from my home.
Damn, if only it was open.
Yeah. But it's not.
Damn it.
Francisco says Nick is in the Maldives. I wish, man. Maldives are so beautiful. So beautiful. It's literally my favorite place on earth. Not to live.
Oh no, it'd be pretty quiet, I feel like, to live there. Pretty boring. But beautiful place to visit. It's on my list for sure. Need to go to Male, whatever I called it.
To Mail. Aline is going to Mail.
I'm going to Mail. You guys can go to Male. Lucky Mon, I am not even going to bet on that. Nick will add ketchup on his pizza, 100%.
No, I won't.
For real? No ketchup on pizza? Like tomato-based pizza? You don't just want to add a little bit of ketchup on there?
No.
Weird.
Francisco Carroll asking Maldives better than the Congo. I have not been to Congo.
Neither. Pineapple pizza robot, yes.
Obviously,
on this stream, yes. Nick, you have to share with us what is so funny.
It's funny that Francisco Carroll asks, can you drive a Model 3 performance in the Maldives? I mean, technically you can if you ship it there, and then you get like a 1 minute drive, and then you're at the other end of the island. That's so
Congo
dumb.
is famous for one thing.
What is it? I've never been to Congo. Have you been to Congo?
I'm like scared to ask.
Yeah, me too, kind of.
Have I been to Congo? No.
Would you go?
It's not like at the top of my list. Never gonna say never.
Noah from IT says, can either of you drive a manual transmission with clutch? Yep, I can.
Take a guess.
Actually, when I was doing my driver's license, which was in 2014, it was mandatory to do it manual transmission.
Oh, well, that's crazy. I do notice that though, whenever I'm in Europe, like it's very hard to find like people that are not driving manual. Even the cars, like everything is manual. But it's probably something I have to probably look into and learn, given that I am moving there. So,
I mean, there's automatic too. Like it's not like you have to. But...
Right. Yeah. That's true. Automatic is just easier.
It is easier, but honestly, manual is pretty cool to drive.
I like how it looks and everything, especially
cool for drifting.
Yeah, I mean, in fast cars, in nice cars, like I get it. It's cool, it's fun, but it's like, it's not a me thing. It's just not.
The thing is, once you know how to do it, it's like riding a bicycle. So you can't unlearn it.
I was just reading. Yeah, no, Wow, there's previous forever though. Yeah, I know. That's something I've always heard that. Oh, it's so easy. As soon as you get used to it, you'll just pick it up. But it just looks so complex. I did try it. Like my dad did try to give me manual lessons when I first started. But it just, I don't know. It's too much for this brain to compute. There is previous forever low sweep.
Noah says I daily drive a manual. Have since I got my license, and yes, it's muscle memory when you know it. With all these things, like it's so funny. Even with me, like I did parkour for almost 10 years, right? And I did so many flips in my life. Like I will never unlearn how to do a backflip. I swear, I will bet my hand I can do a backflip when I'm 60 years old. No issue.
That's crazy.
Absolutely no
muscle
issue.
Memory.
I can go on the trampoline and do a double backflip. No problem.
Like, I still love the trampoline.
I love
never
trampolines. I love trampolines.
Do you have those places in Switzerland? I know we do in Melbourne. I don't know if they had them in Bali, but I didn't see it. But those indoor trampoline places where you just literally like jump off balls and like, do you have them in Switzerland? Like this?
Jump off what?
I'll show you. Yeah, I'll show you. It's really cool.
Hadip says, Nick in parkour, I bet Nick can't even do 10 push-ups. Yeah, you're right. I can't do 10 push-ups.
Wait, why is this not loading? Bounce trampoline. What?
Noah from IT says, Nick, if I'm still around when you're 60, I'll pay good money to see that. Funny.
What the hell? My internet is just not working anyway. I can't show you that. But it's basically just a place where it's just like a whole bunch of indoor trampolines and like pits where you just like can jump off like high. Like people are really like pro there, or you just get some people that are like me that just go for fun. I used to go a lot when I was younger, but like you can literally jump off walls and bounce off trampolines, and people do
like a trampoline park thingy.
Yeah, indoor trampoline park. That's all it is.
Yeah. I think we have one about an hour from my place.
Oh, okay. Yeah, those are sick. I used to have so much fun there.
Yeah, it's funny though. If like the last time I went to one was probably 3 years ago, I was exhausted after like 10 minutes.
Yeah, I don't know how my body would keep up with it now, but when I was young, I could go for hours in those trampoline parks. Celine, can you do push-ups? No. I can do a couple. I'm not very strong upper body. I'm not afraid to admit that. It's not, yeah. I mean, if I practice, I probably could. You know what? But I just don't.
Actually, I just remember. Let me see if I find that video. Last time I was at the trampoline park, I pretended like I'm learning how to backflip, and then I landed on my face all the time. Wait. And then I posted it on my story, and everybody believed it. It was kind of funny. Let's see. I do have that video somewhere. It was in Dubai, actually. Trampoline. All right, the market is approaching my zone to add. There, I'll add one.
This would have been such a nice short to still be in.
I added one here. So I'm in 3 micros now. See, okay, I can't find it for some reason.
Guys who are holding these shorts, like it's very, very nice for the shorts right now. People that are holding from that earlier on trade, it's already gone like 90 points. So if you haven't taken profit, definitely think about it.
Can't find. I just found the video of my fiance learning how to backflip. She's actually able to backflip.
Oh, she can backflip as well?
She would need to relearn it, but she did it on her own a while ago, yeah.
That's so sick.
She had to learn it for uni because she was studying sports. They had to do it.
Oh, wow. And did they get like tested on how they could backflip and that?
Yeah, it's just like one part of a test.
That's so interesting.
Oh, okay, I just found it. May 2023. I got so dizzy, I almost fell over after doing like, how many was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in a row, and then I almost fell over because I got dizzy. That's funny.
Makes sense.
Is funny. So dumb. Yeah, well, anyways.
Oh, I thought we were gonna get the video.
You want the video?
Yeah, we want the video.
Okay. I'll show you the video.
Alina, just to answer your question, I was going to type to you, but basically the setups can take 1 to 2 per day, usually.
1 to 2 setups per day?
Yeah. Take It Tudum says held that short up 5K across 5 accounts. Let's freaking go, guys.
Nice.
Killing it.
Great job.
Fire.
Great job. All right, let's see. Oh, where did that video go now?
Jonathan, I'm not even going to entertain or read that.
What did he say?
He's just trolling.
Is he though?
I hope your pizza gets stuck somewhere this Friday, Jonathan, and you don't get your pizza.
Oh no, that's cruel.
No pizza Friday for Jonathan.
That is
Gonna
cruel.
call all the pizza places around your area, wherever you live. I'll work it out. I'm gonna tell them to not fulfill Jonathan's order this Friday. He doesn't deserve it. Only his daughter.
Oh man, sorry, Jonathan. You know I love you. I'm sorry for Celine's behavior. Really sorry for Celine's behavior.
Fractal firm. My ex could do backflips with logic.
Lol. All right, let me reshare my entire screen. Here, proof. I got
like these places.
It's so funny though. I got dizzy by the end of it and almost fell over. Kind of funny.
Oh my god.
What was throwing a ball at me? What the fuck? What was that?
No, that is crazy.
Oh, another one.
With balls getting thrown as well. Oh. Damn, that was a lot of backflips. Wait, you know what's funny, chat? Nick, if you stand up, I bet he's wearing the exact same outfit as he was wearing in that video. I could bet money on it. I could bet. Roman, thank you. Nick, stand up. Stand up. Chat.
Wait,
how well do we know the Nick?
Let me actually see. It would be a crazy coincidence because the pants that I'm wearing right now, like the shorts that I'm wearing right now, I never wear them. So that would be a crazy coincidence. Let me double check. There's no way.
They are?
That's insane. Okay, Celine, that's actually incredibly insane.
Is it though, or is it just probabilities?
Let me show you something. Let me show you something. Roman, go back to screen. So that is okay. That's actually insane. I'll tell you why.
It's not though. I already knew this.
I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. So when I went to this trampoline park, I wore my normal shirt because I didn't have my sports shirt with me. But I had my sports pants with me, the shorts, right? The white shorts.
Yeah.
Now, whenever I do sports, I'm always wearing black shorts with a black tank top, right?
Right.
However, after sports, sometimes if I get back from the gym and I don't have enough time, I don't take a shower and then I shower after stream. So I keep wearing my shorts, but I add a white tee to it. I never usually do. It's like it happens once a month, maybe twice a month. Okay. Or if I go play squash. Now, if I run out of my black shorts, which happens once a month, maybe, if they're all in laundry, because I have like 7 of them, right? Only then do I wear that one pair of white shorts. Only then. So the coincidence of me wearing white shorts and a white tee, that happens never. Guess what I'm wearing?
Okay, yes. I should have put like so much money on this.
That's insane. Like you don't even understand the probability of that happening.
Do.
The probability of that happening is so incredibly low. That's like insanity.
Celine knows things, Chad. I am I should have put bet. When I am convinced, I have to put my money there. That I should have 100% put my whole house on that bet. I knew it. Had an inkling. I knew it.
Crazy. Wow.
Oh my gosh. That's
crazy.
Well, I'm really actually disappointed I didn't bet you before you proved it. I just knew. That's too good.
Black Interval says, so bro hasn't showered and smells. Oh, dude, I smell so bad right now. I'm happy for you that you can only see me and not smell me.
That's funny.
That's crazy now. Wow. Wow. Pratish says, Selena's kept a spy camera in Nick's room. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, about that, Pratish.
Where is Hannah? You banned her for 5 minutes and then she never came back.
Hannah is far, far away. I'm not even entirely sure. Like, I just said, leave this place, never return, and I haven't seen her.
Damn.
Sorry, guys. Never return was what I told her.
What a mean sister.
It is what it is. Afan Sakib, Slimage Sessions, do you trade Sydney-based trader here? Well, first of all, shout out Aussie Trader. Love a fellow Aussie trader. We're rare to come by. I trade London and New York, to answer your question. Justice for Hannah, justice for Hannah. You guys are lame. Okay, that doesn't work.
What do you mean doesn't work?
Hannah. Doesn't work, Hannah.
Of course it does. Everybody, hashtag justice for Hannah.
She's not gonna read it.
You have to do this for like even to be considered for the next giveaway.
Trust me, she's not gonna read it.
Oh, she will.
You guys suck. Who is a dictator now, Celine? The visionary in my house? Hell yeah. But around here, apparently not. I have to listen to the dictator.
Yep. You know it.
Justice for banana. Anna banana. Oh, so Hill says, love your shorts. Can you send me a link to buy the exact same, Nick?
I don't even know what they're called. It's just like Under Armour shorts with like how do you even say that? It's like shorts with shorts.
It's got the bike shorts inside.
Yeah, not bike shorts, but yeah, kinda.
Oh. Hannah Fontana, what's that?
Hannah Montana.
Oh, Hannah Montana, right.
Fun.
No, sorry, Amir, I have read your question. I forgot to answer. No, I'm not looking for longs if we sweep Asia low. Nope. I would have. What?
Black Interval says you want to buy the same shorts as Nick, bro. Are you okay?
The chat is so funny.
Bro.
No, Amir, I would have been holding these shorts. So for that reason, like, why should I enter longs? Like right now, the short trade would still be valid, and I'd probably be in a break-even position or like a trailed stop. So yeah, no reason for me to be in longs now. There was a second entry for me here. I'm not gonna lie, I fumbled it and entered it on minis, and stupidly was way too heavy in that trade on an account that didn't have too much drawdown, so that's been blown. But yeah, didn't take it on anything else. So now I'm waiting.
It happens. I just read your message actually.
Yeah, I messaged Nick and I was like, screaming on the inside.
Well.
Johnny Cage, me and you together. Blue accounts today. Past accounts, blue accounts. It is what it is.
You passed some new accounts today? Which ones?
50Ks, actually, those ones.
Growth,
50K growth. Have some 150K growths now, and 50K growths. Loaded. We're locked and loaded on those. Payout incoming stream. Payout incoming. Well, Kiz. Kiz is leaving.
No.
See you tomorrow.
See you, Kiz.
It's not the same without you, Kiz, but we will catch you in the London session as usual tomorrow. Amia, yes, that was a funded, but it was there were two funded accounts that didn't have a lot of drawdowns, so I just fumbled it because I traded minis because I was on the mini. I was on NQ before on Tradeify and just too tired, did not check. It's very hard that is probably my biggest mistake in trading, MNQ and NQ. Like, why does it have to be so unclear? Can it not just like, I want it to warn me maybe like, are you sure that this is the size you want? Like, are you sure you know you're on NQ? Like, I need that extra warning in Tradeify. Can we get that built in, please? If anyone knows. Because there's just way too many times where I trade the wrong contract and it screws me bad.
Celine, just be on micros in general.
Yeah, but there's a difference because when I'm on the evals, I'm obviously in minis, but then happy to be on micros long term on everything else. But when I'm switching between on a day like this, I just I need to focus, and I wasn't focused. I was not focused.
The thing is, what I would do, if that's a problem that happens to you.
It is.
What I would do is always have your charts on micros, and if you want to trade minis, open up a second tab, go to minis, trade,
Let me see.
then close that tab, so that your standard is always micros. Why the heck was my video just flipped? Roman, what are you doing?
Oh.
Roman.
That's kind of fun.
Stop it.
That's funny. No, but Tradeify, so hold on. What are you saying to me, Nick, please? Because this really bothers me.
Just like when you're trading, right? Always have MNQ open. And then if
close every single other asset, like close it all down.
Exactly. And if you ever want to trade minis, open a second tab, trade minis, then close the tab.
All right, it's all getting closed. It's all getting closed. No more minis around here. Okay, let's see. But then I'll be so frustrated if I take a micro trade when I'm in a freaking eval next, which is probably what's going to happen.
But that's better because then you can add. You know?
True, that is true. Yes. Better than oversizing. Undersizing, better than oversizing.
Yeah, true.
Okay, well, let's see. I've listened to the Nick data.
I mean, that was like, whatever.
No, that was advice. I'm saying thank you.
Give you good advice.
Thank you. No, thank you for that. Thank you. Just make different background micros or minis frequency. That is genius. Wait, can I make a different background on Tradeify depending on which asset I'm trading? Contract I'm trading?
Yeah, technically you can, yeah.
Wait, that is actually crazy. I'm just going to do that right now. Chart settings.
Thank you, Laurencia.
What? Thank you for what?
Said that was solid advice, just saying.
Okay, fine. Yeah, it was solid advice. But lol, because in the beginning of this stream we were talking about position sizing, and like I was in minis on an eval and we were talking about how I wouldn't trade that size on a 50k funded account. I wouldn't trade 2 minis. I was like, I would be trading 3 to 5 micros. And then here I am doing a trade on a funded account. Like I completely jinxed that. I said, I would never trade minis. And then I literally went, whoop, 2 minis short. And I was instantly like death to the account. Instant death.
Well. Unbroken Move says, Celine, you a baddie. Nick has a part in hair I found is stop loss. It's that Dumble's hair part that I comb over. Is he a man or a...
What?
Yeah, Unbroken Moves. You got me there. Damn.
If that was English, but I have no idea what the hell that was. Bro.
Comment of the day. Love it.
What the... Yeah, Mia, you heard right. Hannah started selling trading lessons, courses. Oh, you guys. Tote Torres, I'm with you, but a couple of people in here were telling me this morning that they do trade minis on the 50k fundeds, and like each to their own. If they can keep it up, you know, it's less drawdown to work with. So you got to understand the risk is obviously worse when you're trading that size. I mean, risk is the same, but your drawdown is less. So anyway, you guys know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Work it out. It's basic math.
By the way, chat, we need 685 likes. Speaking of math, we need 110 more from where we're at right now. So If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button so we can do a second giveaway. Sketches 8 says, I do 4 minis with a 50k account. Good luck, man.
Bruh.
Good luck.
Unfunded? That is just a death sentence. Burning Candles Trading is asking about account. He won a couple of weeks. I haven't received it. Do you know if I'll still get it? Yes, absolutely. You should have that account. I will nudge Brian on that. Sorry that it's taken 2 weeks.
Mexican Dan says, get Lulu an account today, chat. Why? Wait, what happened? Oh wait, Unbroken Moves is back. This is my new entertainment now. Unbroken Moves says, Lil Nick A, Celine Abadi, UK got some work. Cool.
What? It doesn't help, Unbroken. No one knows what the hell you're talking about.
Unbroken Moves, where are you from? I need to know. Where are you from? What country?
Yeah, please. Make it make sense.
Andrea says, what? For English, press 1.
No, for real.
Oh my God.
Burning Candles Trading, I did just shoot Brandon a message, by the way, so you should have that account soon. Oh, where is this guy? Did he come back in the chat? Or did he leave?
Nice drop. I'm adding. Just added 1 more micro to the mix.
What size are you in now? How many micros?
4 micros.
Okay, nice.
4 micros, microskis.
He left.
Did he leave? No, I need to know where he's from. Come on now, Unbroken Moves.
Some crazy volume here. What the hell?
All right, added 1 more.
Guys. No, but this was the day to hold the shorts on the accounts. Lo. Oh well. No. Wait, he's back. He's back.
Oh. UK got some work, Lil Nick. Come over.
What? What do you mean?
Unbroken moves, but broken sentences. What's up with you, man?
He's drunk.
Yes, Trump just tweeted. If Trump tweeted, that would definitely be a different candle than what you just saw. That was a small candle.
Yeah. Oh, not if you stretch it out, though. Hold on.
Celine,
damn.
Don't fall into the trap. I swear.
Look at that volume dump.
I swear, don't fall into the trap. Don't overstretch your charts. It makes you go crazy.
Nick,
just zoom out.
Dumping,
go to the 5-minute chart, zoom out, and relax. It's all gonna be fine.
You just should have seen this morning. I did actually say, I said, chat, what would Nick do? And I was like, no, Nick would tell me zoom out, inhale, exhale, and I did it, and it worked. To be fair. Can I just say, execution of this sweep, shorts were on from this level. That is just a clean. That's exactly that A+ setup that I talk about, tapping into bearish 4-hour gap, sweeping previous 4-hour high. That's what I like to see. So good on you, NQ. I'm glad you're doing the right thing today. Behaving.
Womp womp. Justice for Hannah. We got Mexican dance. No, is it Mexican dance? No, who was that? Damn, I know your profile pic. Wait. It was Marcos Sepp. Changed his username to Justice for Hannah.
What the hell? Oh yeah, it is Marcos. I'm in trouble. YouTube doesn't let change my name back. Bro, Marcos, I will speak to YouTube about you. I'll make sure that you're banned forever with that username.
No, leave Marcos alone. Come on now. Don't be like that, Celine.
Yes, Hannah is a dictator herself. I can't believe you guys are all sticking up for someone you've never met. She could be the meanest person on this earth. And you guys are just as bad. Hannah. What if Hannah's the real dictator? Okay? You guys aren't thinking.
Frequency 144 kisses made 2K on MCL. Nice.
Nice. Who's in trades right now, chat? Let us know. Let us know. Long, short. Selena's talking like a real sibling now. Oh, yeah. I am a real sibling. Sibling 2, 3.
She is,
and I'm always the one getting dictated around. And you all want to say justice for Hannah. Justice for Hannah.
Lul. I added a 6th micro. Now I'm chilling.
Nice. Wow.
Now we chilling.
Are you going to just... Do you have an... Like, where will you stop adding? Or is it just like a never-ending ad?
We'll see how the market moves.
Okay.
We'll see.
Okay. I was going to read... Whose comment was that? He's back. Unbroken move. Celine, a baddie. Little Nick, I'm from Supercuts. What? What is Supercuts? What are you smoking? What do you want?
Trying to say? I don't get it. Just don't get it. Unbroken moves.
Wait, this guy's username is so long. D Money is Eddie Murphy from Trading. Says, lol, Celine, why do you copy Nick's Because it's catchy and that's what happens around here. You stream with people long enough, it just it rubs off.
Yeah.
I hate it.
We're all saying the same things.
Soon we'll become potatoes as well.
Luis Martinez says Supercuts is a hair cutting chain in the US. Oh, so Unbroken is a hair dresser.
Did he just give away his place of work? When we asked where is he from, he's like, I work at I'm from Supercuts. What the hell?
Funny.
People are so strange.
D Money is Eddie Murphy from Trading. What? Sucks. Just like you're trading. Wait, D Money, who are you talking to?
I think me. He said Selena's special needs.
All right, D Money, that's a ban.
Celine is special, D Money.
Nobody
is
gonna talk to Celine like that. 24-hour ban. Come back tomorrow, maybe.
That's right.
But don't come back.
Don't even come back.
Abhishek, we need 685 likes for another giveaway.
Jonathan, Celine, you're a baddie? Like, what does that even mean? You're the villain? You're the bad guy?
No.
Well, I don't know. Jonathan, I don't know. Some people are strange out there.
Yeah. Lior says, do that voice. Do that voice.
He's literally here just to hear you do the voice. You got to do it, Nick.
Yeah.
He's waited long enough.
Seems like it, huh? I can't do that. It's not me.
He's waiting for people to play up in the chat, and then he's like, Nick, do the voice. Ban him. Do the voice.
Oh, man.
Abhishek, the like goal is 685. So...
If Unbroken sends us another message, we're gonna read his message in God voice.
Okay. Yes, that's hilarious.
Please, Unbroken, go for it. Write a book.
Write a book. Not sure he's capable, to be honest. What did we say for the likes? Was it 685 or 785?
685.
Okay, we're close.
685. Pretty easy, actually. Pretty easy like goal. I'm still like so surprised, so amazed by the fact that I'm wearing that same outfit like I wore freaking 3 years ago. 3 years ago.
When I'm
and
right,
I never wear this outfit like this. It's crazy.
Yeah, but I just knew you would be. I knew it.
Insane.
Oh, I'm so annoyed. Are you sure I didn't bet on that? I'm pretty sure. Did I bet money? I'm pretty sure. Like, I'm pretty sure I bet money on that. Like, I can't remember if I did.
You did not.
That's really frustrating.
You bet money on a paddle match.
Oh yeah, on paddle I remember. Okay.
Yeah. But I don't know how well that's gonna end for you.
Oh, whatever, Nick. I'm not engaging. We already know paddle battle is going to happen, and you just better be prepared. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say.
I am prepared. Bakshish says, Good. Nick, stop giving excuses. What do you mean? What excuses?
Trader Marco, we can't do the giveaway yet because we haven't hit the like goal.
Yep. Can't do that.
Frequency 114. Celine, did you change background? I've made for myself a script showing the last few candle price, so never made mistake trading minis. No, I didn't trade the background yet, but change the background yet, but I will. I couldn't work out how to do it yet. But that's the easiest thing. If I can just see like a color, if I'll just see like the mini candles are one color and the micro candles are another color, that's perfect. I've probably needed that for a long time in my trading. So I'm kind of annoyed I only discovered that now. But it's all good.
Trader Dave, hi, can you explain the growth plan, please? Growth plan, very easy. In eval stage, you have 0% consistency, so you can pass an eval within 1 day. Once you are funded, you have 35% consistency, so your biggest profit day cannot be more than 35% of your total profit. You need to have 5 winning days. If you're on a 150K account, those winning days must be at least $250, and then you can take a payout once you reach your profit target. There you have it. Any other questions, chat? Hey, we got a Hannah in the chat. Is that our Hannah?
Hell no. It better not be.
Hannah?
If she's come under another... She can't think I'm that stupid.
That would be another username, though. Is that Hannah Tater?
Hannah, if that's you thinking you can come under another username and I don't have the skills to work that out, then...
Hannah Tater,
but if it's not, welcome.
If it's
welcome,
you, put
Hannah.
a 9 in the chat.
Shut up, Marcos. Justice for Hannah. Yes, extraordinary cave chat. I freaking love growth accounts too.
Thanks, Jonathan. You got it. Ah!
Thanks for my justice.
No, I don't believe it. That's the real Hannah, though.
No. Hannah.
The real Hannah wouldn't make a spelling error there.
That's true. I don't believe that's Hannah.
Oh, no, fake.
Oh my gosh, he's back. He's back, Nick. Unbroken moves. Back? You know what to do.
Who is back?
Unbroken moves.
I gotta go real quick. I'll be back in like a minute or two.
Yeah, I'll handle it here. It's all good. Chat, how are we doing? How is everyone feeling about the rest of the session? Justice for all hands. Oh, wait. Is that you, Bob?
Hello, my children. Today, I came on stream on Tradeify TV to read a very important comment from a guy called Unbroken Moves. He says, "What's Little Nick A? I come over on life, little boy, or little boy, Celine the baddie. Look it up, cool baddie, Celine, get on that ASAP. Thank you for your attention to this matter."
Thank you, God. Thank you for that one. Oh my gosh.
Did the God voice thing happen yet?
Sorry, what? What was that?
Did the God voice thing happen yet?
Yeah, he just came. He just came.
No way, I missed it again.
Yes. What is going on, Nick? You always miss it. Far out. Anyway, he read out The best comment of the day. That was freaking hilarious. Oh
Nice.
my gosh.
Nice.
Leo's very happy that God came.
Funny. I gotta listen to that stream. That's funny. Hannah, we're aware that you're not the real Hannah. Celine, why ignoring me? Hannah is not.
Wait, no, because I have
funny.
to actually message and see if this is the real Hannah.
It's not her. 100% not. Unless she has like dyslexia or something.
Should I call it?
Call her. Mo says, I've never seen Nick and Superman in the same place. It's true.
She's not picking up.
Not yet.
It's not her. She could be at work.
She could.
That's not her. Hannah's trolling. Oh, wait, she's calling me back.
Oh, there we go. Put her on speaker.
She just hung up.
Hey, anyone left?
Hannah, are you actually in the comment section of the stream?
No.
Okay, good. Because there's someone called Hannah in the chat.
See, Celine, I know my Hannah-tator, okay?
And someone's like, Celine, why? Anyway, it's all good. Okay, it's all good. Bye.
Goodbye.
That's funny.
Okay, it's not Hannah. Confirmed. I don't know if she was
Yeah.
at work or what. That was funny. Sorry, Hannah, you can't fool me. I can't believe she actually called her. Yes, I did, because I need her off the Wi-Fi. I need her off, but it's not her, so it's all good. Leo can't get over the God voice, Nick. Call him King Nick, he says.
I like that,
That's so
Leo.
funny.
I like that.
No, the Rhea, she was just as shocked.
Oh, wait, she's here now. The real one is here. Hannah-tator, what's up? That's
No,
the
Hannah,
real one.
that wasn't an invitation to get on the Wi-Fi
Yes,
in the
it
stream.
was.
Please
Yes,
shut it
it
down.
was. Hannah-tator, welcome back to the game. Welcome back.
Hannah, you can get out of here. Thank you for taking the bandwidth. Okay, it's enough. Enough is enough.
Wait, you said she's at work.
Yeah.
How can she be in the same Wi-Fi?
There's potential. There's every potential she could be downstairs right now. In his house.
Celine? Why you lying? Huh? Hiya.
Out of here. Out of here. Hannah,
No, we're happy to have you,
five
Hannah.
people.
We're happy to have you. Everybody put a justice for Hannah in the chat. Justice for Hannah. That's you have to do that to be able to participate in the next giveaway.
No, is there a way I can do that? He said, Celine, if you need her off the Wi-Fi, just go into the router and ban her. For real, if there's a way I can do that.
All right, she's leaving already. Damn.
Okay,
Thanks
good.
for the
Go
honor.
do your work.
Thanks for the honor, Hannah. We appreciate you.
Shut the chat. Oh my gosh. Guys, Marco just does the arrow. Twist me. That's funny.
That is funny.
You see, Leo is still going on about the voice.
Lior, you're amazing.
Leo, we can get Nick to send you like a recording maybe of him just doing the God voice so you have that forever. I think he would appreciate that, Nick.
Oh man. London chat, you guys are the best. You are the best. I'm still in this long, as you can see on screen, obviously. I can zoom in a bit for you guys so you see it better. We're chilling. I'm in 6 micros.
Nice.
Started the original position at 27 to 70, then added more at 224, then added more at 223, and now we're chilling.
And no, Chad, there is no stop loss in this trade. Just in case anyone was wondering. There is
Or
no
is
stop
there?
loss. Nick still can't find it.
Or is there? I don't know. XVQQX.
Wait, what? UK got some work, Hannah.
Oh, wait, we got a new one from Unbroken Moves. I would love to read it right now, but I have to go real quick. I'll be back in a minute.
Okay, no worries. Leo, get ready.
Hello, my children. We have another very important comment from our one and only Unbroken Moves. Today, he is saying, Lil Nick A, Celine a real baddie, who will baddie Nick don't be a, you life. Thank you for your attention to this matter, my children.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, I'm back.
No.
Did it happen again?
Oh, Nick, I don't know what is up with your timing, but as soon as you get out of here, God reveals himself. And
That's
it was a good
so
one.
weird.
It was a
Damn
good
it.
one.
One
But
day
for
I'm
real,
gonna catch it.
He's like keeping like these Selena real baddie, Google baddie, Nick don't be a and he just doesn't like what are you talking about? Oh my gosh.
I wonder how a person who speaks like that or who like chats like that actually trades.
Yeah, are you a trader, Unbroken Moves? Are you a trader? Please.
I mean, if he's not, what the frick are you doing here? And if he is,
Sure.
are you sure you want to be?
No, he's a pop.
He's a barber. True. Yeah, we forgot. Sorry.
That's true. He's from Supercuts. All right, that's true, Leo. Where are we at with the like count? That's a good point.
Question.
We will do a giveaway if we smash the like count goal. Oh, we're very close. 652 likes, and we need 685 to do the second giveaway here. We've already given away one account. Yeah. Could be more.
PPX Trades says, based on my model, Nick, you will win the trade. Damn, watching and chatting from mobile is hectic. Yeah. Yep.
Yep.
Nisha says he's here because he thinks both of you all are baddies. Oh, he's back again. Nah, but that's the same comment. Unbroken Moves. Be a bit more creative. Come on now.
He's broken now.
Yeah.
Naveen says, Nick, your long strategy rocks. Well, guys, you just have to not put the stop loss in. I think that's all that's happening here, right?
Is it?
I don't know. I don't know. I wish, chat, I could work this out because he's almost undefeated. This strategy has lost once, okay? It's pretty much a 100% win rate like Mentor right now. And I want to know. But he won't give us away the source.
Jonathan says, Nick, you're the goodie if Selena's the baddie. Lol.
The fractal firm, are we the baddies? What? And notes is with micro, no need stop loss. Interesting. But chat, let us know what you think of these markets right now. Are you in longs? I want to know. I want to know who's in positions right now. I'm not in anything, obviously. Took shorts earlier on an eval. So I took those shorts off very quickly when I passed the account and I haven't entered anything since. Actually, lies, I did enter a short here, but I took it with the wrong size. Blue funded, and it's been an up and down day because of that. I've passed accounts, I've blown accounts, and that's my day for you. But enlighten us, who's in trades? All right, back Nguyen, still in shorts. Okay. Nick and I will ride this to the ground. Well, Nick's in longs, so he actually needs us to go to the moon.
Yep.
Angia in long, Francis in longs. I'm in long because I'm bored. Plugging to full. Okay, nice. Annika, long since 2:30. Okay, cool. A lot of you with Nick. All right. Everyone's a gambler.
Francisco Carroll, driving a Model 3 Performance in the Maldives, is following me. Hell yeah. Shout out, Francisco.
So many of them literally in longs now. So for all of your sakes, I hope this pumps. Did we sweep that low on ES? Just curious. Oh, okay. Nice SMT at Asia low with ES. So that low for me on NQ was 27191.75. That stayed intact. So NQ actually never swept that low. I have that marked as Asia low, my Asia low. And then ES did. So that is the bullish reaction we're having right now, is off that SMT divergence off the 15-minute time frame there. Clean.
Francisco Carlos says, I don't have an M3P. Wish I did. Well, what car is your favorite, Francisco? Which one do you have? Do you have a car? Or two?
Amir, I've called him a gambler many times on stream.
Yeah, she did.
Only when he trades without a stop loss. That's the only reason.
You have a 2014 BMW i3? Nice. Cool.
I don't have any car.
Francisco, you beat Celine, see?
Yep. No car, no worries.
No car, no worries. Is that so?
Is that how it goes? No, I don't know. I need to buy a car when I get to Europe ASAP. It's been a while since I've driven a car. Fun fact, I haven't actually driven the whole time since I've been in Australia because I'm too scared. It's been a year since I've driven and I'm just not willing to risk it.
That's like riding a bike. Go get it.
No, but it's not the same, Nick. It's really not.
Francisco says it's a macho EV. That's funny. That is funny. Francisco asking Celine, are you an ICE or EV lady?
What the hell is ICE?
I'm confused.
ICE? Did you touch a kangaroo, Celine? No. No, I didn't. And just so you guys know, we don't have kangaroos just all around to just walk up to. And you also should never just walk up to a kangaroo and go and pat it. I don't know if
they
you
can
guys
beat the shit out of you.
They can. They absolutely would. Especially like...
ICE was the short version of internal combustion engine. So are you normal car or EV? Gas versus electric?
I think I'm going to be EV for that. I've always been like normal engine gas, but I think...
EV gang? Look at you.
I think I'm going EV hybrid gang. You got to, get with the times, guys.
Look, for me, it's like EV gang, but Lambo. It's like the mix,
Yeah.
Yeah,
but one is like the weekend car, EV for like getting around everywhere, and then the Lambo is just like for fun for the weekend.
Okay.
Makes sense. Justin, enough with the trolls. I don't have a pet kangaroo, guys, but I did see a freaking huge spider at dinner last night. There was a spider in my house.
XVQQX is saying fuck EVs. Amir is saying say no to EVs. Oh, now you're gonna battle with Francisco, guys.
Oh.
Francisco versus the no EV guys. Let's see the battle in the chat.
Wait, this is gonna be super dumb, but do they make EV like or hybrid Lambos?
Yeah, technically, yeah. The Revuelto is hybrid. It can go the like 10 kilometers on electric. So
interesting.
It's not far, obviously. It's like it's good if you live in a neighborhood and you have to wake up and leave early, then you can just sneak out on electric and then turn it on properly, like
not wake everyone up.
Yeah. Oh, look at the battle going on in the chat.
This is a full-on battle.
Francisco, it's you versus the non-EV guys. Good luck.
Oh, the Urus is electric. Lambo Urus CE.
It's Shabby says, don't all Australians have a pet spider that lives in their bathroom?
Yeah, it's kind of true. Okay, I don't know what's going on with my internet. Never mind. I can't search anything today on there. I'm gonna do it on here.
It's not the first time.
Whatever. The Lambo Urus CE. Okay. SE or CE? I'm pretty sure it's SE.
It would be SE, yeah. Yep.
Plug-in hybrid powertrain is an absolute powerhouse. EV silence won't annoy the neighbor. EV silence won't annoy the neighbors. These are all the pros. Okay. Noted.
Noted.
Oh, guys. We okay, I'm going to say it. We top ticked the shorts. All right, that's it. We top ticked it. These shorts have been playing out since friggin' 2:08. I was in that short. It's just been falling slowly ever since. Damn.
Francisco says, drive a Lucid Sapphire. I hear they rock. Francisco, I know somebody who has a Lucid Sapphire. He says whenever he races somebody, he absolutely smokes them. Completely smokes them. So yeah, Lucid Sapphires are sick. It's a boomer car though.
Okay. All right, enough car talk, guys. Enough.
It's a boomer car.
A lot of us are bored.
My dream car is though BMW M5 competition. All right.
Oh, cars are just so complex. I have no idea what any of this is. Diesel is for heating, gas, TNG is for cooking. Oh my gosh.
Sakuna says, what? Cars are not boring. No such thing as enough car talk. Celine, you got some enemies now.
Where are the females, girls? Come out of the chat.
Well, I mean, you do like some cars, right? You love McLaren.
I like them. I like them for their like physical appearance.
Okay.
But I don't like anything else. I don't actually know much else rather than I just like how they look. That's it. Like how they sound. That's all.
Yeah.
Pivex is here. Strawberry and licorice ice cream for Celine? Question mark. What? Pivex,
What?
I need you to give me that voucher right now.
Yeah. You gotta send her the
You
money.
owe me. You
Gotta send her the
freaking owe
money,
me.
Pivex. Fractal Firm says, Nick, you need a boat Gotti for the lake. Bugatti boat. There's a Lambo boat. That one's pretty
Ooh,
sick.
Maybach is nice too, Lulu. Maybach for lapping.
My neighbor has
I
a
like the
Maybach. It's nice.
Nice. I like the Maybach. Noah says, I don't know, I could talk about cars all day. Okay, wrong stream, guys. This is a trading channel. It's not a car channel at all. So we can talk about everything else but cars, please.
Now everybody is talking about cars.
Literally.
That's funny.
All right, what is everyone's interest outside of trading? Because we're obviously not all just into trading, but curious, chat, drop in the comment section quickly. What are your hobbies? Like, just pick one. If you have multiple, that's all good. But what is like your thing outside of trading? Is it cars? Like, I'm curious. Like, what are you all... Don't say stupid things now as well. Like, I'm actually being serious. I want to know what you guys are doing. Like, parkour out there? What the hell? What is everyone doing?
Okay, we got cars. Lulu's selling trucks.
Bro, Lulu, second comment. I said take it seriously. I'm actually curious.
Cars.
Cars and fishing.
Killing people.
So
What the hell?
multiple people.
Chat. What's wrong with
Whatever.
you guys?
Guys, why can't we just be serious for freaking 1 minute, this chat? Oh my
Puzzles.
gosh. Okay, never mind. Never mind.
Well, Celine, you walked right into that one.
I know. Whatever. I was genuinely curious about who we have sitting here viewing, and like,
Yeah.
that's it. Never mind. I get it.
Trading, traveling, collecting watches, cars.
Okay, that's a nice end. Thank you, Anizia. Thank you for your honesty and for your genuine answer there. Oh, whatever. The rest of the chat is just here for the trolls.
There is a bunch of trolls. Clay sculptures, Pivex. You can't say anything else in the chat unless you send Celine her money.
Yeah, that's right. What's her name? Anita. I will like ring up the shop and ask for you, Pivex. Like your brother told me I have a whole year voucher. Oh my gosh.
What other things are you saying? Smoke weed, hang out with my dog on the beach, dude. Francisco says electric jet skis. Oh, hell yeah. I love jet skis. I love jet skis.
I've never been on one.
Jet skis are not allowed in Switzerland. Can't put a jet
really?
ski
Why?
Lake, yeah. Because it's like this noise. With electric ones? Maybe.
I've never been on
No,
one.
they're not allowed. Oh, Unbroken Moves is back. How is Celine on here with Nick Lil?
Lil. Just go and say it, Unbroken Moves. We're more interested to know what you have to say. You're not leaving us with
still trying to figure it out. Unbroken.
Nick Lil what? Oh, he says, kind of jelly, miss the shorts. It is what it is. I mean, it's just one day. It's one session. You will get into the shorts again. I'm just laughing and making fun because I was in the shorts earlier on, like pre-London, and I closed out because I passed the account, but I should have 100%. I was talking about how it was an A+ setup and everything before getting into the trade, and then I didn't copy trade. It just sat in the trade on the eval. The only reason for that was me thinking that it would be easier to manage with my orders and stuff without thinking too much about, okay, these ones are evals, these ones are funded to trade with. But anyway, it is what it is. I'm not in the shorts anymore, but there is always another session. So yes, to those who missed out or cut your shorts early, whatever, don't be too beaten down about it.
Noah from IT says, Alina just sent you the instructions to ban your sister from the Wi-Fi.
Thank you, Noah. Thank you, Noah. You're the goat. I'll check after the stream. PVX says you can go to the item shop and pick up your voucher. I notified my sister maximum 2 kilos of action per week. The code is Celine_pink_candle. All right, to all the Sydney viewers out there, there you go. Go and use my code because I'm not getting to Sydney anytime soon, PVX. Sadly. Everyone go use Celine Pink Candle.
Roman, let's go back to my screen. I'm still in the trade. I'm still chilling in the trade.
Oh, Justin. Where did this come from again?
Yes, Justin, yes. Preach it. Preach it.
Look, I'm just trying to do the giveaway, and if, you know what, Justin, you're in that giveaway, I might have to, delete a name out of there. Just saying. Just saying.
Justin?
Psst, psst, Justin, she can't because I'm doing the giveaway. So keep going.
Shut up, Nick. But we're not, you know what's sad, Justin? There might not even be a giveaway because we need 685 likes and we're only at 670 and there's not long to go. There's not long to go. So
Yep. Damn, time flew by today.
Yeah, it really did.
Crazy.
It really did.
I mean, with all those unbroken comments, no wonder.
Yeah. 2 God encounters as well.
Nelly Daniels, Nick, where's your stop? I'm still trying to find that guy. I just can't find him. I don't know.
He's not around. Nelly Daniels, don't worry. I'm just as stressed as you watching this trade. So Nick doesn't use a stop loss. Guys, are you new here? For the past week, Nick has been trading with no stop loss and I still can't work it out.
See, Francisco gets it. He says, follow Nick's trade. It will work out. Ride or die, homie. Hell yeah.
Would be awesome to win a giveaway with this name tag. I'm going to ensure that doesn't happen, Marcos. I'm going to somehow rig it. I don't know. I will find a way. Nick says Hal is in Supercut. Supercut Baba.
Lucky17, Nick, why are you not timing out those supporting blocking Hannah on the Wi-Fi? Well, because I know for a fact that Celine is not going to do it anyways. Doesn't matter.
Don't worry, Noah. Noah sent me the instructions, so that's for me to know. You guys will never know. If I do it, which I will. Aditya, what? I moved after 20 days and someone's still writing pizza for Jonathan.
That's funny.
Jonathan got his pizza.
He did. And his daughter. I didn't just send Jonathan pizza. His daughter got pizza too, and they got cookies. And they got drinks. So that was a full-on pizza menu. Yep.
Let's go, NQ. Let's pump it up. Let's pump it up.
Oh, wait. Unbroken is back. Lil Nick at $ hashtag. Say it UK smart. Come on, Lil Nick at $ hashtag. Fill in the blank. All right. Yeah.
Yeah. Right back at you. Yeah.
Cheese Boss says, pump
gosh.
it. Still in the long with you, boss. Hell yeah, Cheese Boss. Ride or die.
No, but he put the little symbols there. It's pump it. Pump.
Pump it.
Oh, pump it.
Justin says, Nick, will you be at the London Expo? I gotta know if I should bring you an IKEA shirt like I'm bringing Celine overnight oats. No, unfortunately, I won't be there. It's
Justin, are you actually gonna be there?
27th of June is my best friend's birthday. Actually, not his actual birthday, but his birthday party thing. And I said yes to that before I got asked to go to the Prop Firm Expo. So unfortunately, I can't. Nope.
Well, Justin, I need to know if you're actually going to be there because I will bring tzatziki and you can taste it. I will bring tzatziki. I will bring some crackers, something you can try it with. You will be eating tzatziki if you come to the London Prop Expo.
Poor you guys.
Guys, yes, Cheeseballs, if Selena or Nick at the London. Yes, I'm there, Cheeseballs. You better come.
Hey, we hit the like goal. We hit the like goal. Andrea, no, Celine is not going to be alone there. There's going to be a lot from the Tradeify team.
Imagine that. Imagine just me at the Tradeify booth.
Her with her TZ Zaikai.
Hi, come try my tzatziki.
Hello.
Woohoo, Cheeseballs, you better be there. And that goes for all of you, 27th of June. Make sure you're there. Prop Firm Expo. Tradeify will be there. Let me see.
Trady Guy says, Nick is so mean. I'm back on being back to being on Celine's team. What did I do, Trader Guys?
Yes.
I didn't even do anything.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Nelly Daniels, Nick, can you talk about the 90-10 select split? Is it done before the 50% for the weekly payout or after? It's like when you request a payout, let's say you request $3,000, for example. That means you receive 90%, 10% goes to Tradeify. So you receive 2,700 and 300 goes to Trade. Wow, such complex math. Obai, it says, Nick, how are you guys planning 2 months in advance? I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. Well. Big V says, TZ Zaikai over ketchup. That is a good old 1 minute ban.
This is why we call him. I mean, this guy has said some crazy comments in the past, but that one I don't hate. Right? Wait, what was it? Oh, yeah. We allow it. We need another Tradeify London meetup. The last one year. Oh, Andy.
Yeah, the one last year was ace. It was good.
You never know what could be coming this time round. So make sure you guys stay tuned if there is one. I'm sure we will post about it. So
Yep.
all I'm saying is be there at the expo at least so we can have a mini meetup there.
Justin, where's the guy that likes Celine's nose? I banned him and then he never came back.
I hope he's gone forever. That guy was weird. Where is the giveaway sign up form? Pratish, we haven't sent it yet, so you can wait a minute.
You want to get banned, huh? People are just asking for bans nowadays.
Andrea, he's looking for another nose.
He's a bit nosy.
That's weird.
All right, let's run the giveaway actually. If you want to participate in this giveaway, all you got to do is you have to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once we send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified, which would obviously suck. If you ask me where the Google form is, then you're going to get disqualified as well. Somebody already filled it out. I'm going to delete you. Do not fill it out yet. I haven't sent it. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Google form incoming. Francisco asks, Nick, have you tried Tiptoes brand ketchup? My friend, Francisco, there is only one brand of ketchup, and that is Heinz. That is the true one, the real one. There's nothing else. Anything else, calling itself ketchup, it's just a lie, you know?
I'll agree there. There is only one good ketchup. It just doesn't belong on everything, is what I'll say to that. But
Francisco says, America. Yeah. America, pew pew, guns in churches, yeah. PPX trades, am I the first to fill it? Let's see. No, you got beaten by Leia, the one and only. So.
Leia was just asking if she was in it. So there you go, Leia. You were first.
Cisco says, and bars too in Georgia. Guns in bars and churches? Damn.
Wow.
Crazy. Justin says, have you ever won, Leia? Leia has won multiple times. Multiple times. She's a goat.
No, Luke Plays TV. If you filled it out last week, it doesn't count. We do a new form each giveaway, so make sure you're filling it in.
Oh, well, I gotta read Unbroken Moves comment. Celine, dude, really a little Nick at $#.
Bro, you have to make it more sense than that. We do not understand what you're talking about. At this point, I'm just going to consider that you're drunk. I don't know. Maybe you somehow stumbled into this trading channel, but I don't know what you're doing here.
Pivek says my sister wants to see Nick's six-pack. Brother,
Whoa.
stop
Brother.
it. Pause.
Brother.
You gotta pay for that. You ain't getting that for free, man.
Oh my god. Chad, this is a trading channel. Can I remind you, please? Pivex, you better calm it down.
Yeah, Justin, I think the same. He says, I think he just wants to see it. That's just his excuse.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah. Funny.
Big V Sling, you break my heart.
Rudolph. Oh man, chat, you guys are on one today.
They really are. But Big V says, Celine, you broke my heart when you banned me yesterday. I was only defending you into Ziggy. No, you had some weird comments in there yesterday. I banned you for good reason. Be smooth, little Nick. Celine, keep up the good looks. All right.
I'll be smooth.
Oh my gosh.
Oh god.
Justin, the one time I watched Nick's story, it was him shirtless.
Ooh,
What?
Justin. You got it. You got the little private.
You
story.
must be paying, Justin.
Yeah, he's my number one fan, actually.
He's-
He paid me. He
Justin,
paid
I
me
think he-
300K last month.
Justin, I think he put that one just up for you. Not
That was a
gonna lie.
private story for you, Justin. You know it.
What you don't realize, Justin, is that none of us saw that. It was just you.
Okay, Fast Fool says Nick is not afraid of those weird manipulation candles that sweeps accounts. No, I'm not oversized and I'm not on a 1 minute chart super stretched out so that every little 3-point move looks like complete doom. All right, let's run the giveaway. Copying everybody over to the wheel of names. Leia in first spot there. Let's see, we got 500. 512 people. Okay.
Ooh. Exciting.
Okay.
That's a few.
Let's see.
One in 500. 1 in 500 chance.
All right. You ready? Ready. Let's spin it. Second winner of the day is... Oh, you did freeze. All right, second winner of the day is Renit V5. Renit V5. Momo, send me a DM on Instagram. I'll help you out with that. Renit V5. Type something in the chat. Where are you, Renit V5? I can hear you. Oh, there it is. Renit V5 says, hello. Hello. Let's see what you win. Let's see if you win a growth account, or a select account, or a lightning funded account, or free merch, or a free pizza. Spinning. Spinning for Renit. Renit, sir, you win. Ooh, okay. Big dog account. Renit, you win a 100K lightning funded account. Congrats. I'm not even gonna let you gamble that one. That one is too good. So I'm adding this to our list. 1 second, 100K lightning funded. There we go. So Renit, all you're gonna do now to claim your free account is you have to add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is your email address that you use to log in to your Tradeify accounts. And then we're gonna send you your free account within the next 7 days. But fire. People say, let him gamble. Nah. Would you though, Renit? If I would let you gamble it for a chance to get more than one account or potentially lose the account, would you do it, Renit? Just like hypothetically, would you do it?
Wait, I'm back. Has he gambled?
No, he has not gambled. I didn't let him.
Okay.
He said no.
Okay.
Let's see though. If you would have, obviously this is not going to count, but if you would have, let's see if you would have won. Renit. You would have walked away with one account. So, same outcome. Didn't lose out on anything.
Well, that was sad. I just missed the entire giveaway, but congrats to you, Renit,
Hey.
Revit.
Unbroken Moves is putting sentences together a bit more clearly now. He says, Celine, Lil Nick, a real fitch. Keep up the good looks. All right. Cool.
All right, we're getting somewhere. With that guy. He's taking a long time.
It's kind of like
progress.
somebody waking up from anesthesia. And he's getting more clear and clear by the minute.
Something like that.
Batch, how many more giveaways today? Well, we're going to have more giveaways today during the New York session stream, which actually starts at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, with hopefully Sputnik being back today. And then I'll join in at 9 a.m. And then, of course, Miriam joins in later as well. So with that being said, chat, put a big fat W in the chat if you loved today's stream. Put a big fat L in the chat if you absolutely hate Celine and me. And we're going to see you later at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, as said, for the New York stream. And then, of course, tomorrow at 7 a.m. UK time for the London session stream. And then I'll join in and take over at 8 because Celine has to drop out early. So I know my views are going to be low tomorrow. Please help me show up, show some love. We need the likes, because if we don't get the likes, we don't do the giveaways, and that would be bad. But Celine, before we drop off here, any motivational words for the chat?
Firstly, chat, views are not going to be low tomorrow because you guys are here to support every single day for the London stream. We are a team here, but yes, I will drop off at 8 tomorrow. I'll be there for the solo hour, so make sure you're there for that, but make sure you guys obviously stick around. London session is where it's at. You guys are the best. We love doing what we do because you guys make it so much more fun. W's to those in trades who took profits. If you didn't take profits, W, discipline if you stuck to your plan. Anyway, as we always say, just trade the plan. That's all we can do. But yeah, today was fun. Some strange comments in there, I will say, but nonetheless, it was fun as usual, London, and I will catch you 7 a.m. UK tomorrow.
Hell yeah. All right. With that being said, peace out. See you soon.